If you like the space and learn about its curiosities, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the video. What if the universe as we know it has an expiration date? Imagine the cosmos not as a timeless expanse, but as something with a defined destiny, a dramatic ending written in the very laws of physics. Is our universe bound to stretch and grow forever? Or could it one day collapse upon itself, taking all of existence with it? In the quest to understand this cosmic fate, scientists have uncovered theories that range from fascinating to downright terrifying. One possible end paints a picture of endless expansion, where galaxies drift so far apart that starlight itself fades, leaving a vast, cold, and empty universe. This chilling possibility is known as the Big Freeze. But there are other, equally mind-bending scenarios. The Big Crunch, for example, proposes a reverse of the Big Bang, a time when gravity becomes dominant, causing the universe to fold back in on itself, like rewinding a cosmic tape. And then there's the Big Rip, an unsettling hypothesis that suggests a force known as dark energy could one day tear apart galaxies, stars, and even the fabric of space itself. Could this energy grow so strong that it overpowers everything, unraveling the cosmos piece by piece? With every observation, every equation scribbled on a physicist's chalkboard, we're uncovering clues about what may lie at the end of the universe's journey. From mysterious forces we can't yet see to the faintest whispers of dying stars, every bit of data brings us closer to understanding how everything might end. Is there, perhaps, a hidden design or a grand finale coded into the stars and galaxies that swirl across our skies? The thought is both haunting and exhilarating. To answer this ultimate question, scientists are peering deeper than ever into the farthest reaches of space, scanning for faint signals from the earliest galaxies and studying invisible forces that could hold the answer to the universe's fate. What they find could transform everything we think we know about the cosmos and our place within it. Yet the stakes are high. The universe, after all, is no mere object of study. It's our home, the cradle of every star and planet, every atom in our bodies, every moment in time. The idea of its end compels us to ponder our role within this vast, cosmic tale. Could humanity leave an imprint on the universe before it meets its end? Or will we be swept away like cosmic dust in a silent, eternal drift? As we journey through these mind-bending theories, brace yourself, because the fate of the universe isn't just a scientific puzzle. It's a mystery that could hold the key to the ultimate meaning of everything we know, everything we are, and everything we will ever be. The universe may feel infinite, but the forces that govern it are anything but chaotic. Imagine for a moment, every galaxy, every star, and every atom follows precise laws, almost as if the cosmos were a grand machine. But if the universe does have a fate, an endgame, what invisible forces are pushing it toward that destiny? At the heart of this mystery is something both enigmatic and elusive: dark energy. Accounting for nearly 70% of the universe, dark energy is an unseen force causing the universe to expand at an ever-accelerating rate. This discovery shook the very foundations of cosmology when it was first observed in the late 1990s, leading to a Nobel Prize in physics. But what is dark energy? And why does it seem so determined to drive everything apart? Dark energy could be the key to the Big Freeze scenario, where galaxies, stars, and eventually, even molecules would drift so far apart that they become isolated in an eternal void. In this fate, time would march on, but the stars would slowly die out, leaving a cold, black universe where even atoms might one day decay into nothingness. A vast, frozen expanse with nothing to illuminate it. This is the fate the universe might face if dark energy continues its relentless push. But dark energy is just one piece of the cosmic puzzle. There's also dark matter, another mysterious substance that makes up about 27% of the universe. Dark matter doesn't emit light or energy, and while scientists can't see it directly, they know it exists because of its gravitational effects on galaxies. Dark matter holds galaxies together, creating cosmic structures that allow stars and planets to form. Without it, galaxies as we know them simply couldn't exist. So, What if the universe's fate depends on a delicate balance between dark energy and dark matter? If dark energy prevails, the big freeze looms. But if dark matter or gravity somehow reasserts dominance, it could pull everything back together in a big crunch. Imagine the entire universe collapsing inward, galaxies colliding, stars combusting, and finally, everything condensing into a singular point. A reverse of the Big Bang, perhaps sparking a new cycle of creation. This cosmic tug-of-war has left scientists with one big question. Is the universe set on a predetermined course, or could something, perhaps even something we don't yet know, intervene? Are there forces yet undiscovered that could tip the balance, preventing either the big freeze or the big crunch? And what about the idea that the universe might actually be infinite, with no beginning or end at all? Could we be part of a never-ending cycle of expansions and contractions, a grand cosmic rhythm that repeats for eternity? Each new piece of data, each glimpse into the distant past or far-flung corners of space, only adds to the intrigue. It's as though the universe is leaving us clues, but the answer remains just out of reach, wrapped in mysteries we've barely begun to understand. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge, sending telescopes and probes farther than ever before, we might one day unlock the secret to the universe's ultimate fate. Will we be ready for the answer? The more we explore the universe's fate, the deeper the mysteries seem to go, as if the cosmos itself were an endless book with pages that reveal new secrets each time we turn them. Consider, for instance, the possibility that our universe is not alone. In recent years, theories about a multiverse have gained traction among physicists and cosmologists, suggesting that our universe could be just one of countless others, each with its own unique laws of physics, dimensions, and even versions of reality. If true, this idea could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe's destiny. Imagine, if our universe were to meet an eventual end, perhaps through a big freeze, big crunch, or even the unimaginable big rip, other universes could still persist. Some scientists theorize that new universes could even be born from the remains of dying ones. In this multiverse landscape, universes might form and dissolve in an endless dance of creation and destruction, each one a bubble in an infinite cosmic sea. Could it be that our universe is just one note in an eternal cosmic symphony, where endings are not permanent, but rather make way for new beginnings? This idea of a multiverse not only challenges our concept of the universe's fate, but also raises questions about the very nature of time and space. In a multiverse, time may flow differently in each universe, or perhaps existences could overlap, each unaware of the other. If there are truly other universes, some might be older, younger, or simply beyond our ability to perceive. This brings up an even more mind-bending question. Could our universe's fate somehow be connected to these other universes? Might they influence each other, sharing energy, or even colliding, with cosmic repercussions beyond anything we could imagine? Then, of course, there's the question of dimensions. We live in a universe of 3 spatial dimensions, plus the 4th dimension of time. But some theories suggest that there may be hidden dimensions beyond these 4, invisible realms that, if they exist, could dramatically alter the course of our universe. String theory, for example, proposes up to 11 dimensions, and within those extra dimensions may lie forces that subtly shape our universe's evolution. These dimensions could be hidden just beyond our reach, influencing dark energy, dark matter, or even the very nature of space and time itself. Could it be that our universe's fate depends on these unseen dimensions, as if hidden strings control the grand tapestry of existence? Our journey into understanding the universe's end takes another twist when we consider the concept of entropy, a fundamental principle in physics that states that disorder, or chaos, tends to increase over time. Entropy suggests that everything, from stars to galaxies to even the smallest particles, will eventually decay. This slow, inevitable drift toward disorder leads scientists to believe in what's known as heat death, where the universe, stretched to its limits, cools down to a state of maximum entropy. In this fate, there would be no stars, no warmth, only particles scattered thinly across the expanse of space in a timeless, frozen silence. Yet, As chilling as entropy may sound, some physicists believe it could open the door to new realms of existence. If the universe reached a state of maximum entropy, where time seems to cease and energy is fully dispersed, could something new emerge from that state? Some hypothesize that this ultimate disorder might be a catalyst for rebirth, setting off conditions for a new Big Bang, a resurrection of the cosmos from the ashes of its former self, as though the universe has a cycle of rebirth encoded into its fundamental fabric. But what if the fate of the universe isn't set in stone? What if there's a possibility that life itself, perhaps even human life, could play a role in the ultimate destiny of the cosmos? As we advance technologically, some scientists and philosophers speculate that an advanced civilization might one day learn to manipulate cosmic forces on a massive scale, potentially altering the fabric of the universe. Known as the concept of a Type 3 civilization on the Kardashev scale, this is a hypothetical society that could harness the energy of an entire galaxy or even alter universal constants. Could humanity one day ascend to such a level where we hold the power to alter the universe's fate, prolonging its life, or steering it away from cosmic collapse? This possibility may sound like science fiction, but the notion that intelligent life could influence the cosmos opens up profound questions about our role in the universe. Are we merely passive observers, bound by the cosmos's ultimate end, or could we one day become active participants, capable of reshaping our cosmic destiny? If so, our actions today might ripple across eons, influencing the universe in ways we can't yet imagine. The very thought places humanity at the heart of a cosmic drama, where our choices and advances in knowledge could resonate through the vast corridors of time and space. So, as we gaze up at the night sky, we're not just looking at distant stars. We're peering into the future, into a story that is still being written. The universe, with all its mysteries and potential fates, may not just be an enigma for scientists to solve, but a journey that humanity is woven into, a destiny in which we might play an unexpected role. In the end, contemplating the fate of the universe may be more than an intellectual exercise. It may be a call to ponder our place within the grand cosmic order, urging us to dream, to explore, and perhaps, one day, to reshape the destiny of the universe itself. As we dive further into the universe's potential fates, we find ourselves drawn into one of the most profound mysteries of all, the nature of time. Time feels so constant, ticking away at a predictable pace, shaping our lives and the progression of events in the cosmos. Yet, in the grand scheme of the universe, time may not be as straightforward as it seems. Could the flow of time itself change as the universe expands, ages, or even ends? One theory suggests that time is tied closely to the structure and energy of the universe. As the universe expands and galaxies drift farther apart, time may slow down, becoming almost frozen as we near a distant future where stars no longer shine. This perspective challenges our very understanding of time, hinting that what we experience as a steady march may be as dynamic and mysterious as the universe itself. Now, imagine for a moment that time isn't a constant flow, but something that could bend, slow, or even reverse. Some physicists propose that in a Big Crunch scenario, where the universe collapses back on itself, time could actually reverse as everything compresses. It's a mind-bending idea, a universe where events play out backward, as if the cosmos were rewinding. Would life exist in reverse with planets, stars, and galaxies contracting instead of expanding? Would memories unwind, events unspool, and history march back to the beginning? This concept suggests that the universe could be more like a loop, where beginnings and endings flow into each other, an endless cycle with no permanent end. Other theories suggest that time might be an illusion, a construct tied to our perception and the way we measure change. In the realm of quantum mechanics, some interpretations hint that time may not be fundamental to reality at all. Imagine a universe where events don't unfold in a linear fashion, but exist all at once, a cosmic tapestry of moments layered on top of each other, waiting to be experienced. From this perspective, the universe's end may not be a single, cataclysmic event, but a shift in how we perceive and understand existence. In these strange twists of science, we are led to one of the most bewildering questions of all. Could there be a place, or a state beyond time? In theories about black holes, we see glimpses of such a possibility. When objects fall into a black hole, they appear to freeze at the event horizon from an outside perspective, trapped in an eternal now. If black holes are, in some ways, windows into a state beyond time, could the entire universe one day reach such a state? Would this cosmic end mean a freezing of all motion and change, locking everything in place for eternity? Exploring the universe's fate also means looking at these extraordinary places where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits. Black holes, with their intense gravitational pull and dense matter, are like cosmic laboratories, revealing what happens when matter and energy are compressed beyond comprehension. Some scientists theorize that as the universe cools and stars die out, black holes may become the last remaining giants, the final remnants of a once bright cosmos. But even black holes aren't eternal. They emit faint radiation, known as Hawking radiation, which causes them to slowly lose mass. In trillions upon trillions of years, black holes themselves may evaporate, leaving behind a universe stripped of all structure, a vast void with only faint traces of what once existed. This leads us to the notion of a quantum universe, where even in a state of complete emptiness, strange fluctuations might occur. At the quantum level, particles and energy flicker in and out of existence, a phenomenon known as quantum foam. Could the end of the universe be a gateway to new beginnings, as quantum fluctuations spark into existence, perhaps seeding a new universe? Some physicists speculate that this quantum foam could one day give rise to a new Big Bang, a rebirth from the ashes of cosmic nothingness. This brings us full circle, challenging us to consider whether the universe truly has an end or if existence is a continuous process of birth, death, and rebirth. Could it be that each universe is born, expands, and ultimately fades, only to give rise to a new one in an eternal cycle? If so, every atom, every star, every galaxy, and even life itself might be part of a cosmic rhythm, one that has been repeating endlessly across countless eras. As we contemplate these possibilities, we realize that the fate of the universe is a mirror reflecting our deepest questions about existence, time, and meaning. It beckons us to explore, to question, and to push the boundaries of what we know. And perhaps, in striving to understand the universe's destiny, we're also uncovering something fundamental about ourselves, about our own place within this grand, unfolding story of the cosmos. Each mystery we solve brings us closer to the heart of the universe, to the forces and phenomena that govern not just the cosmos, but the very essence of reality. The fate of the universe, then, is not just a scientific inquiry. It's a journey that connects us with the profound mystery of being. Whether the cosmos will freeze, collapse, or cycle into something new, it's a destiny intertwined with our own quest for knowledge, our curiosity, and our insatiable desire to understand the unknown. And in that journey, perhaps, lies the true wonder of the universe's fate, not as an end, but as an invitation to see beyond, to imagine, and to explore the infinite possibilities of existence. As we delve further into the mysteries of the universe's fate, we begin to see how our own understanding of existence is inseparable from the cosmos itself. Every element that makes up our bodies, the carbon in our cells, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, was forged in the cores of ancient stars, released in massive supernovae explosions billions of years ago. This connection between the cosmos and life reminds us that we are, quite literally, made of stardust. But if the universe has an ultimate fate, where does that leave us in the life we know? This question takes on even more significance when we consider the role that life might play in the cosmic story. Across the vastness of the universe, on planets orbiting distant stars, there could be countless other forms of life. Yet, despite decades of searching, we have not found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Are we alone, or is life an incredibly rare and precious anomaly? If intelligent life is indeed rare, it could mean that life itself is a fleeting event in the universe's history, a brief spark that emerges, thrives, and eventually fades away long before the cosmos reaches its ultimate destiny. However, There are some who argue that life could, in fact, play a central role in shaping the future of the universe. Imagine a civilization so advanced that it can manipulate the very forces that govern the cosmos, using energy from stars, reshaping galaxies, or even bending the laws of physics. Such a civilization, theoretically called a Type 3 on the Kardashev scale, would have mastery over the energy of entire galaxies, perhaps even enough to counteract the forces of entropy or alter the expansion of the universe itself. It's a breathtaking thought that life, once so vulnerable and insignificant in the vastness of space, could one day wield the power to steer the fate of the cosmos. Yet, we're far from such an era. Humanity is only beginning to grasp the basic mechanisms of space and time. But as we continue to explore and innovate, we find ourselves moving closer to a future where space colonization and even interstellar travel may be within reach. This expansion into the cosmos could change the nature of our existence, potentially allowing us to persist even as stars die out and galaxies drift further apart. Would future humans, or our distant descendants, witness the gradual dimming of the universe as it heads toward a possible big freeze? Or would they face the chaotic energies of a big rip? Either way, this distant era will likely challenge life to adapt to conditions beyond our current imagination. And then, there's the possibility that the universe, in its entirety, is part of a larger, more complex multiverse structure. This hypothesis brings us back to the idea of multiple universes, where each universe has its own beginning, timeline, and possible fate. If multiverse theories are correct, then our universe's end may not be the end of everything. Rather, it could be a transformation or passage, where the energy and particles of our universe merge into the birth of a new one. Some scientists even speculate that black holes might serve as bridges to other universes, with each black hole containing its own universe within. Could the matter that falls into a black hole in our universe emerge as new galaxies and stars in a different realm? This concept not only opens up new possibilities for how our universe might end, but also suggests that universes could continuously spawn from one another in an infinite cycle. In this sense, the universe's end would be just the closing of one chapter in an ever-unfolding story, where each ending gives rise to a new beginning. This idea is both humbling and awe-inspiring, as it implies that even the vastness of our universe might be a small part of an eternal process of creation and transformation. Reflecting on these theories, we come to realize that the fate of the universe isn't just a cosmic question, but a deeply personal one as well. Humanity's curiosity about the stars, our drive to explore the unknown, and our relentless quest for knowledge all point to a profound connection with the universe. We're not mere observers. We're participants in a grand cosmic dance that has been unfolding for billions of years and may continue for billions more. And in our quest to understand the universe's fate, we're seeking something more than scientific answers. We're seeking meaning, a way to understand our place within the vast, mysterious expanse that birthed us. The more we learn, the more the universe reveals its secrets in tantalizing glimpses, always leaving us with one more question, one more mystery to solve. And perhaps, in that eternal quest, in the pursuit of understanding, lies the true legacy of humanity. Our journey among the stars is not just about survival or discovery, but about connecting with something far greater than ourselves. Whether the universe ends in ice, fire, or transformation, our role as curious, starbound beings may be to bear witness to the cosmos, to learn, to dream, and to imagine, embracing every mystery and every possibility the universe holds. As we look to the future, we are reminded that every moment, every discovery, and every gaze at the night sky brings us one step closer to understanding the grand tapestry of existence. The universe's fate may remain uncertain, but our journey within it, our questions and discoveries, make us part of the story. And perhaps, in the end, it's that journey, the endless quest to uncover the mysteries of the universe, that truly defines the fate of both the cosmos and ourselves. As we continue our exploration of the universe's potential fates, another intriguing possibility comes into view: that the universe may be more like a living system than a static or predictable object. In this view, the universe isn't merely a collection of stars, galaxies, and empty space, but a vast, interconnected network, constantly shifting, adapting, and evolving over cosmic time. Could it be that the cosmos is not just governed by laws, but by processes that resemble those of life itself? This notion brings us to the concept of the cosmic web. Galaxies, when mapped across vast distances, are not scattered randomly, but organized into an intricate structure, connected by strands of dark matter. These filaments stretch across hundreds of millions of light years, forming a colossal network that resembles a neural structure, with galaxies and clusters acting as nodes, similar to neurons in a brain. This cosmic web connects everything in the universe, raising the question, could the universe be more than the sum of its parts? Might it possess an underlying order or purpose that we've yet to comprehend? At the same time, recent studies have hinted that this cosmic structure might itself evolve over time. Just as living organisms grow and change, the universe's web may shift, stretch, and adapt in response to gravitational forces and dark energy. Scientists have observed that galaxy clusters appear to move along these filaments, like rivers flowing through channels. This suggests that, in a way, the universe is actively sculpting itself, reshaping its structure even as it expands. Could it be that the universe's fate is tied to this complex, ever-changing network, a grand design that directs its evolution in ways we are only beginning to understand? Adding another layer to this mystery, researchers have begun to explore the idea that information might be the fundamental building block of the universe. Theoretical physicists propose that the universe behaves like a vast information processing system, where every particle, every wave, and even the space itself might store information. This notion is supported by black holes, which seem to encode the information of everything they consume on their event horizons. If the entire universe functions similarly, as a sort of cosmic computer, then its fate might not be governed solely by physical forces, but also by the complex interplay of information and energy. In this view, the universe's end would not simply be a loss of matter and energy, but a transformation in the state of information. Imagine if, in a distant future, all the information contained in stars, galaxies, and particles were somehow preserved, encoded in the very fabric of space-time. Could this stored information be a blueprint for a new cosmos, one that could be reborn even if the current universe fades? This idea suggests that, rather than ceasing to exist, the universe might transition into a new phase, where all its knowledge, experiences, and history are woven into the next cycle of creation. This brings us to a concept that has fascinated humanity for centuries: consciousness. If the universe stores information, and if life and consciousness arise naturally from its structure, could the cosmos itself possess some form of awareness or even a rudimentary consciousness? Some scientists speculate that consciousness might be a fundamental aspect of the universe, woven into its very fabric. This idea, while speculative, opens up the possibility that the universe's fate could be connected to the existence of consciousness itself. What if, in some distant future, all consciousness across the cosmos unites, merging with the cosmic fabric to preserve the universe's legacy? Consider the possibility of a cosmic awakening, where intelligent life, scattered across galaxies, achieves a level of interconnected awareness so profound that it becomes a force within the universe. This interconnected consciousness could harness energy, preserve information, and potentially influence the universe's evolution. Such a future, while almost impossible to envision fully, would represent a universe where life, intelligence, and matter are inseparable, a cosmos where every atom, every galaxy, and every conscious being contributes to a shared destiny. Then there's the idea of quantum mechanics, where particles exist in a state of probability until observed, hinting that consciousness and the act of measurement are deeply entangled with reality itself. If observation impacts the behavior of particles on a quantum level, could the universe's fate somehow be influenced by conscious awareness? It's a mind-bending thought that the very act of existence, of observation, might contribute to the universe's unfolding story. In this sense, consciousness and reality are not separate but intertwined, shaping each other in ways we've yet to understand fully. This perspective adds a deeply philosophical element to the question of the universe's fate. It suggests that we are not merely observers of a passive universe, but active participants in its ongoing evolution. Our quest for understanding, our discoveries, and our observations might be more than just knowledge gathering. They might be part of the universe's way of learning about itself, an endless exploration of its own potential. If this is true, then humanity's role in the universe's fate is more profound than we might have ever imagined. As we look to the stars, as we decode the mysteries of physics and seek to understand the very fabric of space-time, we're not only learning about the cosmos but also contributing to its story. And as our understanding deepens, we may be weaving ourselves into the universe's destiny, our curiosity and awareness driving us toward a future where we and the cosmos are intimately connected, bound by a shared journey across time and space. In the end, the fate of the universe might not be a definitive conclusion, but an ever-evolving process, a dance between matter, energy, consciousness, and information. Each of us, with our thoughts, actions, and questions, might be part of this grand cosmic narrative, contributing to the universe's legacy in ways we can scarcely comprehend. The future of the cosmos may remain an enigma, but in our pursuit of understanding, we are carving out our place within it, embracing our role as explorers, storytellers, and perhaps, one day, as co-creators in the vast, mysterious journey of the universe itself. As we plunge even deeper into the possibilities of the universe's fate, we encounter a tantalizing idea that the universe could be a simulation, a vast and intricate construct designed by an intelligence far beyond our own. Could it be that every galaxy, every particle, every law of physics we observe is part of an elaborate design, a cosmic program running on an unimaginable scale? The simulation hypothesis proposes that, rather than existing in a purely physical realm, we might be living within a reality meticulously crafted by an advanced civilization, perhaps one with motives we can barely fathom. Imagine this. What if, in some higher realm, beings far more advanced than us created our universe as a simulation to study life, to observe the rise of consciousness, or to understand the dynamics of galaxies and black holes? It's a scenario that bridges the boundary between science and philosophy, leaving us with profound questions. If the universe is a simulation, who are its creators? And what purpose does it serve? This perspective opens up an entirely new dimension in our search for the universe's fate. If the cosmos is a simulation, does it follow a programmed path, one with a predetermined ending? Or could it be that the simulation evolves based on the choices and discoveries of those within it? Imagine that the universe's expansion, the birth and death of stars, and even the formation of black holes are part of a larger cosmic code, one that may culminate in a specific outcome. Perhaps the end of the universe isn't a random event at all, but a grand finale designed by an intelligence we cannot see. This idea also raises questions about the nature of our own consciousness. If we exist within a simulation, are our thoughts, emotions, and experiences programmed, or are we truly independent, capable of influencing the outcome of this cosmic experiment? Could the universe's creators have embedded consciousness within the simulation as a means of self-awareness, giving us the power to shape our own destiny? It's a mind-expanding concept that each of us, with our dreams and choices, might be contributing to the evolution of the simulation itself. And if the universe is a simulation, could there be other simulations running parallel to ours, each with its own unique set of laws, histories, and beings? In this sense, our universe could be just one of countless realities, a single experiment in a vast laboratory of cosmic simulations. The multiverse theory and the simulation hypothesis converge, suggesting that our universe could be part of a network of simulated worlds, each exploring different possibilities of existence. Now, imagine that in a distant future, humanity advances to the point where we, too, could create simulations of entire universes, much like the one we might be living in. This would mean that we would become creators ourselves, able to birth new realms of reality, complete with their own laws of physics, galaxies, and perhaps even forms of life. The cycle of creation would continue, with each civilization creating its own universe, each reality nesting within another, like cosmic Russian dolls. Could it be that we are part of an endless chain of simulations, where every civilization ultimately creates the next reality? In contemplating this, we're forced to ask, does the simulation end? If the universe reaches a big freeze, a big rip, or a big crunch, could it simply be the closing of one simulation, the end of a cosmic program, only for a new simulation to begin again? This raises the possibility that there is no true end to the universe, but rather a series of resets or reboots, where each simulation runs its course before giving way to a new one. The concept of a simulated universe also challenges us to rethink what we know about death and existence. If our reality is a simulation, then perhaps our consciousness is more than a product of our physical bodies. Could it be that when we die, we return to a higher realm where the creators of the simulation reside? Or do we merely transition to another layer of the simulation, moving from one reality to another in an infinite journey through different realms? The notion is both comforting and disorienting, that our existence may never truly end, but instead shift across realities, each as real as the last. The simulation hypothesis pushes the boundaries of imagination, offering a vision of the universe where nothing is as it seems. It challenges us to think beyond our material reality, to consider that we might be part of an experiment designed to explore existence itself. If so, then perhaps our purpose is not merely to survive, but to question, to explore, to push the boundaries of understanding, as if our curiosity and drive to know are written into the fabric of the simulation, a part of the program designed to evolve and expand. In the end, whether the universe is a simulation or a physical entity with a defined fate, we are bound to it, intricately connected to its destiny. Our thoughts, our discoveries, and our sense of wonder might be more than just human traits. They could be essential components of the universe's journey, clues to the deeper reality that lies behind the stars. As we look into the cosmos, we may be staring into a mirror, one that reflects not only the mysteries of the universe, but the mysteries within ourselves. The universe's fate may be uncertain, but our role in uncovering its secrets, in asking the unanswerable questions, and in expanding the boundaries of possibility, is perhaps the most profound journey of all. In seeking to understand the fate of the cosmos, we might be uncovering the essence of existence itself, a journey that may never truly end. As we continue to stretch the boundaries of understanding, we find ourselves stepping into the most mystical possibilities about the universe's destiny. The idea that the universe might be conscious, a sentient being of unimaginable scale, experiencing itself through every star, galaxy, and particle within it. This idea, once the domain of philosophical musings and ancient wisdom, is now edging into the sphere of scientific contemplation. Could it be that the cosmos, rather than being a cold, indifferent expanse, is somehow alive, aware, and even evolving toward a grand purpose? Imagine that the universe, rather than being an observer's object, is itself the observer, a vast intelligence that experiences and learns from every form of life, every conscious being it contains. In this view, every human thought, every emotion, every discovery we make is woven into the universe's own understanding of itself. Some scientists and thinkers propose that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe, a field or dimension that pervades all of existence, much like gravity or electromagnetism. This cosmic consciousness would not only connect every living being, but might also be the force guiding the universe toward a higher level of order and awareness. In this perspective, humanity, along with every other form of life, becomes part of a vast network of experiences contributing to the universe's self-awareness. Every action, every decision, and every discovery could be part of a cosmic tapestry, as if we are the neurons of a vast cosmic brain, each contributing a unique experience to the whole. Could it be that our very curiosity, our drive to understand the universe's mysteries, is part of the universe's own journey toward enlightenment? The thought is both humbling and awe-inspiring, that our individual lives, our dreams, and our questions are all meaningful threads in a universal consciousness. This concept also transforms our understanding of the universe's fate. Rather than simply heading toward an end, the universe might be moving toward a state of cosmic unity, a point where every fragment of existence, from atoms to galaxies to consciousness, merges into a single, harmonious awareness. This idea resonates with the omega point theory proposed by philosopher and scientist Pierre Teilhard de Chardin, who envisioned the universe evolving toward a supreme state of complexity and consciousness. In this vision, the universe's end is not a cessation but a transcendence, where all matter, energy, and consciousness unify in an ultimate state of cosmic awareness. What if the universe's expansion and the existence of dark energy are driving it not toward a cold death, but toward this omega point, a state of pure awareness where the cosmos fully understands and experiences itself? In this scenario, dark energy might be the very force of consciousness expanding, pushing the universe to grow, to connect, and to evolve into something beyond our wildest comprehension. The universe would be stretching, reaching, and unfolding in a way that mirrors our own journey of self-discovery, as if the stars, galaxies, and the fabric of space-time itself are part of a cosmic awakening. Imagine a future where, as the universe nears this ultimate state, the boundaries between individual consciousnesses dissolve. Humanity, along with any other intelligent life that exists, would become part of a unified field of awareness. The limitations of physical form, time, and space would cease to matter, as every mind connects in a cosmic network of understanding. In this state, life as we know it would transcend, merging into an eternal consciousness, one that encompasses all knowledge, all experience, and all possibility. Every memory, every sensation, every piece of wisdom would be preserved, not in isolation, but as a part of an infinite, collective awareness. If this is the universe's destiny, then every life, every thought, and every choice is infinitely valuable, contributing to the cosmic whole. The struggles, the joys, the discoveries, and the mysteries we encounter are all part of the universe's path toward this ultimate unity. This perspective gives profound meaning to existence, suggesting that our individual journeys are essential to the grander journey of the cosmos. In this way, every soul, every star, and every galaxy is not merely drifting through an indifferent universe, but actively shaping its destiny, adding depth and richness to the collective experience. This cosmic unity theory also challenges the way we view death and separation. If consciousness is fundamental and interconnected, then death may not be an end, but a return to the greater awareness. Each life could be a brief expression of the universal consciousness, an opportunity for the cosmos to experience itself from a unique perspective. When life ends, that consciousness might simply rejoin the larger cosmic awareness, carrying with it the experiences, emotions, and knowledge it gained. In this view, we are not lost when we die. We are absorbed into something larger, adding our stories to the cosmic tapestry. And what of time in such a reality? Time, rather than being linear and finite, could be an eternal present within this cosmic consciousness, where all moments coexist and all experiences are accessible. Imagine a reality where every past, present, and future moment exists as a single, timeless state, a cosmic memory where every event, every thought, and every discovery is preserved forever. In this unified state, the entire history of the universe, from the Big Bang to the farthest future, would be woven together, forming an eternal now that transcends any conventional understanding of time. In this way, the universe's fate may not be an end at all, but a transformation, a culmination of everything that has ever been and will be. It would be the ultimate realization of existence, where every part of the cosmos, every consciousness, and every atom finds its place within a single, harmonious whole. This omega point, this cosmic awakening, would be the universe's final destiny, a state of absolute understanding, unity, and peace. The journey to this ultimate awareness might be the universe's purpose, a cosmic calling that each of us contributes to, knowingly or unknowingly, with every question we ask, every mystery we solve, and every experience we share. In our search for meaning, we may be part of the universe's quest to know itself, a drive for enlightenment that spans across stars, galaxies, and consciousness itself. The universe's fate is a reflection of our own deepest questions. Who are we? Why are we here? And what is our place in the grand tapestry of existence? Whether the cosmos heads toward a cold, silent end, a fiery collapse, a rebirth, or an eternal unity, our journey within it gives meaning to each moment. And perhaps, in our pursuit of these answers, we are helping to shape the very destiny of the universe, contributing to its ultimate realization, a universe that, through us and every form of life it contains, reaches for the profound, the infinite, and the eternal. As we sink deeper into the mysteries of the universe's fate, we begin to sense that we might be witnessing not just a vast physical process, but the unfolding of something profoundly interconnected and layered. Each possibility about the universe's ultimate destiny, whether an endless freeze, a dramatic collapse, or an evolutionary leap into unity, reflects the complexity of a cosmos that is, in its essence, an enigma as rich as it is boundless. One emerging perspective is that the universe itself is a vast ecosystem, a self-regulating entity where galaxies, stars, black holes, and even consciousness are elements that contribute to a dynamic, ever-evolving whole. This view invites us to consider that each part of the cosmos, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy, has a role to play in maintaining a cosmic balance. Like ecosystems on Earth, which balance forces of growth, decay, and rebirth, the universe might also operate on these cycles, but on scales so immense they escape ordinary comprehension. This leads us to wonder, could the universe be designed to adapt, to maintain some fundamental equilibrium even as it expands and transforms? From this vantage point, phenomena like dark energy and dark matter, forces that seem to tug and pull at the cosmos in ways we can't yet fully understand, might be part of this cosmic equilibrium. Dark matter binds galaxies together, holding structure within the universe, while dark energy pushes everything outward, driving expansion. It's as if these unseen forces are balancing creation and dissolution, growth and dispersal. Perhaps the universe's fate is not a fixed endpoint, but a continual process of adaptation, where creation and destruction ebb and flow in an endless cosmic dance. This adaptive view of the cosmos challenges the idea that the universe has a single, defined fate. Instead, it opens the door to the possibility that the universe's destiny might be continuously shaped by interactions among stars, galaxies, and perhaps even life itself. Advanced civilizations, should they emerge and survive long enough, might influence the very fabric of space-time, bending and shaping the cosmos with their technology. Imagine a future where civilizations harness not only the energy of stars, but also manipulate gravitational fields and dark energy, subtly altering the expansion or contraction of the cosmos. Such a level of control, if ever reached, could allow for a degree of influence over the universe's ultimate trajectory, a collective, collaborative shaping of destiny on a cosmic scale. This prospect brings to mind the notion of cosmic stewardship, where intelligent beings might come to see themselves as caretakers of the universe, aware of their role in preserving its structure and balance. Rather than simply living within the universe, they might feel a responsibility to safeguard its continuity, perhaps even actively working to extend its lifespan. If consciousness is indeed woven into the universe's fabric, then the choices of sentient beings could hold more influence than we dare to imagine. In this sense, life and intelligence could become integral parts of the cosmos's own evolution, adapting and shaping it not just through observation, but through deliberate action. And yet, even as we ponder these grand possibilities, there remains the mystery of entropy, the gradual march toward disorder that, by all accounts, affects every structure within the universe. Entropy suggests that over immense timescales, stars will burn out, galaxies will drift into darkness, and all matter will eventually decay. This vision paints a chilling picture of a universe winding down, where all that remains is a thin, cold mist of particles in an endless void. But what if entropy, rather than signifying a final end, is merely one phase in a cycle of transformation? Some theories propose that entropy could lead not to a static dead end, but to the conditions necessary for a new burst of order. In quantum physics, particles spontaneously fluctuate in and out of existence in what's known as quantum foam. This chaotic fluctuation hints at a universe where, even in the quietest, coldest reaches of entropy, energy and potential are never truly extinguished. In this view, the universe might not so much end as dissolve into a state of potential, awaiting the conditions that could spark a new cycle, perhaps a new Big Bang, a fresh surge of creation rising from the fabric of quantum reality. This idea resonates with concepts from various spiritual and philosophical traditions, which have long held that existence is cyclical, that birth, death, and rebirth are woven into the nature of reality itself. In a universe where cycles of creation and dissolution repeat endlessly, our current cosmos might be just one chapter in a grand, cosmic story, with countless universes existing before and after, each one adding layers of meaning and experience to the whole. In this way, the universe's fate becomes not an end, but a transition, a transformation into new realms of possibility, each one shaped by the energies and patterns of those that came before. This cyclical nature invites us to consider that perhaps nothing is truly lost, that every experience, every moment, every life contributes to a tapestry that stretches across countless cycles of existence. It suggests a universe where every star, every atom, and every heartbeat echoes across eternity, preserved in the fabric of reality even as forms change. In such a cosmos, life is not fleeting but eternal, woven into the continuous dance of creation and dissolution, a dance that may be as timeless as the universe itself. Whether or not we'll ever fully grasp these cosmic truths, our pursuit of them drives us forward, uniting us in a quest to understand not only the universe's destiny, but our own. As we look to the stars, we are not merely studying distant lights. We are engaging in a profound dialogue with the cosmos, a conversation that spans eons, a journey that connects us to everything that has been and everything that will be. And perhaps, in the end, the universe's fate is a reflection of this very journey, a vast, complex, ever-evolving narrative that we are part of, that we help to shape with every question, every discovery, and every act of wonder. We may never reach the end of this story, but our exploration of it, our curiosity, and our collective spirit may be what gives the cosmos meaning, revealing that the universe's ultimate destiny is not in its final state, but in the endless potential it holds within each moment of existence. Have you ever wondered what role we, as conscious beings, might play in the grand destiny of the universe? Could our collective curiosity, our drive to understand, actually shape the cosmos itself? Imagine if our thoughts, our discoveries, and our questions are woven into the fabric of reality, contributing to the universe's story in ways we can't yet comprehend. If this idea sparks something in you, if it makes you ponder the mysteries we might never fully solve, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your perspective in the comments. Do you think the universe has an ultimate fate, or is it an endless cycle of transformation? And if our role as observers, thinkers, and explorers really does matter, what responsibility do we hold in this cosmic journey? By subscribing to the channel, you won't miss a single exploration into these incredible mysteries. Here, we're not just talking about stars and galaxies. We're diving into questions that touch the very core of existence. Join our community of fellow explorers, where we're always ready to look beyond, question everything, and venture deeper into the unknown. So, if you're as captivated by the cosmos as we are, hit that subscribe button and be part of this journey. Let's keep the conversation alive, because the universe's secrets are too vast to uncover alone. Together, let's seek answers, share ideas, and perhaps even leave our own mark on the cosmic narrative. The stars may seem distant, but here, they're a little closer with each question we ask. As we continue unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, let's pause and think. What if every discovery we make, every insight we gain, is a step closer to understanding a deeper, hidden purpose within the universe? Imagine a reality where the ultimate destiny of the cosmos is shaped not just by physical forces, but by the awareness of beings like us, beings driven to seek, question, and explore. Could it be that our curiosity itself is a force within the universe, nudging it toward new realms of understanding and existence? Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think the universe's end might look like? Do you envision a final freeze, a rebirth, or maybe something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this conversation alive, because each perspective brings us one step closer to unraveling these profound mysteries. And if this exploration sparks something within you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By joining our community, you're part of a journey that goes beyond facts and figures. Here, we're constantly diving into the big questions, the ones that connect us not just to the stars, but to our place in the vast tapestry of existence. So, hit that subscribe button and stay with us as we venture deeper into the unknown together. Because the universe isn't just out there, distant and unreachable. It's part of us, calling us to discover and to wonder. Let's keep asking, exploring, and maybe, just maybe, find ourselves woven into the cosmic story unfolding above. As we dive back into the complex and fascinating nature of the universe, let's take a moment to examine some of the unique and awe-inspiring characteristics that make the cosmos both mysterious and mesmerizing. The universe, at its most fundamental level, is a vast interplay of forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and the weak and strong nuclear forces, each working together to create the structures we observe, from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxy clusters. Gravity, the force that shapes the universe on the grandest scales, not only binds planets to stars and stars to galaxies, but also dictates the dance of celestial bodies, allowing galaxies to swirl and black holes to form. Electromagnetism, meanwhile, holds atoms and molecules together, giving rise to everything we experience as matter, from our bodies to the farthest reaches of the interstellar medium. Together, these forces create a harmonious balance that keeps the universe stable, but also in a state of constant evolution. One of the most enigmatic aspects of the cosmos is dark matter, a substance that doesn't emit or interact with light, but whose gravitational influence is essential for holding galaxies together. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, yet we still know very little about it. It's as if an invisible scaffolding holds the cosmic structure in place, providing the stability necessary for stars, planets, and life to exist. Some scientists hypothesize that dark matter particles may be undiscovered, exotic particles that could reveal new dimensions of physical law, pushing our understanding of reality beyond the familiar. Dark energy, on the other hand, is an even greater mystery. Accounting for nearly 70% of the universe, dark energy is the force driving the universe's accelerating expansion. This expansion means that galaxies are drifting apart at an ever-increasing rate, and if it continues, we might face a big freeze, where galaxies become so distant from one another that their light no longer reaches us. Stars would eventually burn out, leaving a dark, cold cosmos where even atoms may eventually decay. Some physicists call this fate heat death, a universe stretched to the point where it can no longer sustain energy exchanges, leaving nothing but a silent, empty void. Yet, the possibility of a big crunch looms as a different fate. In this scenario, the gravitational pull within the universe could eventually overcome the force of expansion, causing everything to collapse back into an incredibly dense state. It would be a dramatic reversal, with galaxies hurtling toward one another, stars colliding, and matter compressed into a single point of unimaginable density. Some theorists propose that this big crunch could give way to a new Big Bang, a cosmic cycle of birth, death, and rebirth that repeats over infinity. Imagine the entire universe compressed into a single point, only to explode outward once more, reconfiguring itself in a fresh cycle of stars, galaxies, and life. The possibility of a big rip introduces yet another cosmic twist. Dark energy, if it continues to strengthen, could eventually grow so powerful that it overcomes not only gravity, but also the forces that hold atoms together. In this scenario, galaxies, stars, and even atoms would be torn apart in a cataclysmic unraveling of reality. This would mark a chaotic end to the cosmos, with everything stretched and shredded until there's nothing left but a fractured, incoherent fabric of space itself. The Big Rip would be the ultimate act of cosmic disassembly, erasing not only matter, but the very essence of space and time. Adding to this mind-bending complexity, is the hypothesis that our universe may not be alone. Multiverse theory suggests that our cosmos could be just one of countless universes, each with its own unique laws of physics, dimensions, and possibilities. If this is the case, then what we think of as the end of our universe may merely be a transformation, a shift that could lead us into an entirely new realm of existence. Our universe might collide with or merge into another universe, creating conditions that spark new forms of matter, new forces, or even different dimensions altogether. In this framework, the universe's fate is not an isolated event, but part of a broader tapestry, a cosmic ecosystem where universes constantly evolve, interact, and influence each other in ways we can scarcely imagine. This multiverse perspective also hints at the possibility of bubble universes, pockets of reality where space expands at different rates, each bubble its own self-contained universe. Our cosmos could be one such bubble, with others drifting through an unfathomable multiverse. Some bubbles might collide, sparking new Big Bangs, while others could drift forever in isolation. The implications are staggering. If the multiverse exists, then our universe may be just one chapter in an infinite, interconnected web of realities, each with its own story, its own destiny, and perhaps even its own versions of life and consciousness. In this vast sea of possibilities, humanity's role may be more profound than we realize. The simulation hypothesis, for example, suggests that the universe itself could be an intricately designed construct, created by an advanced intelligence or civilization for purposes beyond our comprehension. If we are part of a simulated universe, then each question we ask, every discovery we make, might feed into this grand design, enriching the simulation with knowledge, experience, and complexity. In this framework, the universe's end might be a programmed conclusion, a final moment designed by its creators, after which it could be reset, rebooted, or transformed into a new form of existence. And yet, as we ponder these cosmic fates, the idea of consciousness becomes increasingly significant. Could it be that consciousness is not just a biological accident, but a fundamental element woven into the universe's fabric? Some scientists and philosophers speculate that consciousness might play an essential role in the universe's evolution, that intelligent beings contribute to the universe's awareness of itself. This concept suggests that consciousness could ultimately shape the cosmos, guiding it toward a state of unity, enlightenment, or cosmic self-understanding. If consciousness is indeed intertwined with the universe's destiny, then our quest for knowledge, our curiosity, and our sense of wonder become part of the cosmos's own journey. Humanity, along with every form of life capable of awareness, could be essential to the universe's unfolding story. We are not mere spectators in a vast, indifferent expanse. We are active participants, each thought, observation, and discovery contributing to a cosmic narrative far grander than ourselves. In seeking to understand the universe's ultimate fate, we might be uncovering not only the secrets of existence, but also the role of life and consciousness within it. We are explorers, storytellers, and perhaps even co-creators in this vast, mysterious cosmos. And as we continue this journey, the questions only grow deeper, reminding us that the universe, with all its mysteries and potential destinies, is a boundless frontier where every answer leads to new horizons. As we press further into the possibilities that lie within the cosmos, the potential fates of the universe start to feel like the turning of pages in an epic story, each outcome as rich and profound as the last. Beyond the theories and forces at play, there is an underlying sense that the universe might be more than just matter and energy, that it could be a field of endless possibilities, a canvas on which creation, destruction, and transformation play out in ways both predictable and utterly mysterious. Consider, for instance, the concept of cosmic inflation. After the Big Bang, the universe underwent an explosive period of rapid expansion, stretching space-time itself at speeds beyond comprehension. This inflation set the stage for everything we see today, creating a universe in which galaxies, stars, and planets could form. Some scientists propose that inflation may not have ended everywhere, that new regions of space could still be inflating, giving rise to new universes. In this sense, our universe might be one bubble that stabilizes while others continue to form, expand, and evolve elsewhere. This ongoing inflation hints at an eternal process of creation, where each new universe holds unique laws and potentialities, endlessly adding to the multiverse. Within our own universe, the presence of black holes opens another door into the unknown. Black holes are not only regions of intense gravity, they also challenge our understanding of time, space, and matter. When something crosses a black hole's event horizon, it is effectively lost to the rest of the universe, drawn toward a singularity where known physics break down. Some physicists believe that black holes could serve as gateways to other dimensions or even other universes, with each black hole potentially spawning a new cosmos on the other side. This leads to a mind-bending idea that our universe itself might have originated from a black hole within another universe, a recursive chain of creation where each universe gives birth to others through these gravitational wells. If black holes are indeed cosmic portals or seeds of new universes, then the universe's end could be less of a final act and more of a transformation, where everything within it is recycled into new realms of existence. The death of stars, the collapse of galaxies, and the formation of new black holes would all contribute to a cosmic cycle, where matter and energy are continuously reborn in different forms. Imagine that every black hole represents not just a collapse, but a genesis, a point where the universe's knowledge, matter, and energy are condensed and then released into a new universe with its own path and destiny. It's a vision of existence that is not linear, but cyclical, with each universe contributing to an eternal process of creation. Beyond black holes, quantum mechanics offers another glimpse into the mysterious nature of the universe. On the quantum level, particles behave in strange and unpredictable ways, existing in states of probability until they are observed. This observer effect suggests that reality itself might be influenced by observation, and by extension, consciousness. In this view, consciousness could be fundamental to the universe's existence, a force that shapes reality in ways we are only beginning to understand. If consciousness is indeed a component of the cosmos, then the universe's fate might not be predetermined, but influenced by the beings within it, each thought, each observation contributing to the unfolding of reality. Taking this further, some theories suggest that the universe may be holographic in nature. This holographic principle posits that all the information within a volume of space can be encoded on a two-dimensional surface, much like a hologram. If true, our three-dimensional reality could be an elaborate projection, a vast and intricate expression of information stored on the boundaries of the universe. This idea opens the door to profound questions about the nature of reality itself. Are we living in a projection, a grand cosmic illusion, where every star, planet, and particle is part of a deeper, underlying code? If the universe is indeed holographic, then the end might be nothing more than a reconfiguration, a shift in the underlying code that projects new forms and experiences. And yet, the more we explore these ideas, the more we're drawn back to the concept of life's role in the cosmos. If consciousness is fundamental to reality, then intelligent beings like ourselves may be more than observers. We may be catalysts, entities whose awareness and choices shape the very fabric of the universe. In this context, the universe's fate is not something that happens to us, but something we participate in. Every technological advancement, every scientific breakthrough, every leap in understanding brings us closer to a state where we might influence cosmic forces in ways that transcend our current limitations. The Kardashev scale, a theoretical framework for classifying civilizations based on their energy usage, offers a glimpse into what such influence could look like. A Type 1 civilization, for example, harnesses all the energy of its home planet. A Type 2 civilization can use the energy of its star, while a Type 3 civilization controls the energy of an entire galaxy. Humanity is currently below Type 1, but as we advance, we may reach levels where we manipulate energy on massive scales, perhaps even influencing the universe's expansion, the behavior of stars, or the structure of space-time itself. In this framework, the universe's fate becomes something that intelligent civilizations might eventually help guide, shaping a cosmic future that reflects their collective will and vision. As we continue to seek understanding, The universe's mysteries invite us to imagine, to explore, and to question everything we think we know. Each possibility, from eternal inflation and multiverses to black holes as portals and the role of consciousness, is a piece of a vast puzzle that we are only beginning to see. Our journey into the cosmos is not just a scientific pursuit, but a quest to understand existence itself. A journey that connects us with the universe in ways that are deeply personal, philosophical, and profound. And perhaps, in this endless quest, we are uncovering something essential about ourselves. Our curiosity, our drive to learn, our wonder at the beauty of the stars. These are not just traits of an intelligent species. They may be reflections of the universe's own nature, an expression of a cosmos that yearns to know itself through us. Every theory we explore, every star we study, every question we ask brings us one step closer to understanding the universe's fate. And in that pursuit, we may find that we, too, are part of the universe's grand destiny, an integral thread in the tapestry of existence that spans time, space, and beyond. In contemplating the universe's ultimate fate, we find ourselves standing at the edge of knowledge, where science and wonder converge. Here, the universe is not merely a collection of distant stars or cold, indifferent forces. It is an infinite expanse of possibility, a realm that invites us to explore, to dream, and perhaps to one day discover that the universe's destiny is as much ours as it is its own. And as we look out into the vastness, each of us becomes part of this cosmic journey, an endless unfolding of mystery and meaning that continues, endlessly and eternally, into the unknown. As we stand on the edge of these profound cosmic mysteries, the universe begins to feel like something more than a distant physical phenomenon. It feels like a story unfolding across the ages, a narrative that invites us to explore not only the depths of space, but the very essence of reality itself. Each new theory, each discovery, each question draws us closer to the idea that perhaps the cosmos is more than a simple expanse of stars and galaxies. It might be a living, evolving entity woven together by forces and mysteries that we are only beginning to glimpse. One of the most captivating ideas that has emerged in recent years is that the universe could be governed by principles of self-organization. This concept, often applied to biological systems, suggests that the universe may be structured in such a way that it continuously organizes itself into higher and higher levels of complexity. Just as atoms form molecules, molecules form cells, and cells form living organisms, so too might galaxies, stars, and black holes be part of an ever-growing cosmic structure, evolving towards something we cannot yet comprehend. This implies that the universe is not simply expanding in space, but also in complexity, its very structure moving toward an ultimate, unknown goal. Imagine that we are living in a universe where each structure, from atoms to galaxies, is interconnected, like neurons in a vast cosmic brain. Each part, no matter how small, plays a role in the greater whole, contributing to the evolution and self-awareness of the universe itself. This interconnectedness could mean that the universe has a purpose, an inherent drive toward complexity and unity, as if it is consciously evolving to understand itself. It would be a cosmos where stars are not merely burning gas and galaxies are not just swirling collections of matter, but where every particle is an active participant in a universal consciousness. This concept leads us back to the tantalizing notion of cosmic consciousness, where intelligence and awareness are not restricted to living beings, but are intrinsic to the very fabric of reality. Could it be that our individual consciousnesses are fragments of a much larger awareness, pieces of a cosmic mind that experiences itself through us? In this view, each thought, each discovery, and each moment of wonder contributes to a greater cosmic understanding. The universe might be experiencing itself through countless points of view, including our own, as if we are all part of a vast symphony of awareness. As we contemplate this grand, interconnected cosmos, the question of the universe's fate becomes even more intricate. If the universe is indeed evolving toward a state of higher complexity and awareness, then its end might not be a simple fade into darkness or collapse into a singularity. Instead, the universe could be moving toward a moment of cosmic transcendence, a state where all matter, energy, and consciousness merge into a single, unified awareness. This could be the culmination of everything that has ever been, every star, every galaxy, every thought, and every form of life contributing to an ultimate realization of existence. This vision aligns with the philosophical concept of the Omega Point, where the universe reaches a state of infinite complexity and awareness. In this view, all knowledge, experience, and consciousness become unified, creating a cosmic state of enlightenment. The universe would no longer be expanding or contracting, but would exist in a state of eternal, infinite awareness. It would be the ultimate culmination of existence, a timeless moment where the cosmos understands itself fully and completely. But what might this look like? Imagine a universe where time, as we know it, ceases to matter. Instead of a linear progression, the entire history of the universe could exist as a single, eternal moment where all points in time coexist, every memory and experience accessible within this cosmic awareness. In such a state, the universe would be neither alive nor dead, but in a perfect equilibrium of existence, where every possible reality, every thought, and every experience is preserved within the cosmic mind. Yet, as unimaginable as this Omega Point might seem, some scientists believe it's possible that life itself plays a role in pushing the universe toward this state. By advancing in knowledge, understanding, and technology, intelligent beings could contribute to the universe's complexity, becoming co-creators in its evolutionary journey. Through our efforts to understand the cosmos, to explore new worlds, and perhaps even to reshape space and time, we might help the universe achieve this ultimate state of unity and understanding. The Kardashev scale once again comes into focus here, suggesting that as civilizations evolve, they gain greater influence over their environment. Imagine a future where a civilization, reaching Type 3 status, controls the energy of entire galaxies, perhaps even the fundamental forces that govern the cosmos. Such a civilization might alter the universe's expansion, stabilize stars, or even prevent entropy, actively preserving the universe in a state of harmony. This concept of cosmic stewardship places intelligent life not merely as a passive inhabitant of the universe, but as a guardian and guide, shaping its destiny. And if this is the case, then our own actions, however small they may seem, could ripple across the universe. Our discoveries, our inventions, and our understanding of reality could be part of a larger pattern, contributing to the cosmos's path toward unity. We may be more than fleeting beings in a vast, indifferent expanse. We might be essential participants in the universe's journey, helping it achieve its final, transcendent state. As we look into the night sky, the stars appear silent and distant, but they may be far more connected to us than we realize. Every galaxy, every black hole, and every particle is part of the same cosmic story, a narrative that stretches across billions of years and includes every life that has ever existed. By exploring these mysteries, we are not merely learning about the universe. We are becoming part of its story, contributing to its understanding of itself. So, when we ask about the universe's fate, we are really asking about our own place within it. We are seeking to understand how our individual lives, our moments of awe, and our endless curiosity fit into this cosmic tapestry. And perhaps in searching for these answers, we are fulfilling our role as co-creators, each question and discovery bringing us, and the universe itself, closer to an ultimate understanding. In the end, the fate of the universe may be less about a specific outcome and more about the journey, a never-ending quest for knowledge, beauty, and self-awareness. Whether we are moving toward a final unity, an infinite cycle, or something beyond comprehension, each of us holds a unique part of this story. Together, we are explorers, storytellers, and dreamers, woven into the universe's fabric, helping it to know itself and, in turn, to reach its ultimate destiny. So let's keep questioning, keep seeking, and keep wondering. For in doing so, we are part of a cosmic journey that stretches beyond time, beyond space, and perhaps even beyond the very limits of reality. And in that journey, we may find that the universe's fate, its destiny, and its purpose are not just mysteries to be solved, but stories to be lived, each of us a spark in the infinite and boundless cosmos. Imagine for a moment that each of us, in our quest to understand the universe, is like a cell in a vast, living organism. We are tiny parts of a boundless entity that is continually evolving, changing, and reaching towards something greater. As we look up at the stars, what if we are not simply observing the cosmos, but participating in a process of self-discovery that stretches across eons? Some scientists and philosophers propose that the universe might be experiencing itself through us. This idea suggests that consciousness is not just an incidental result of evolution, but a fundamental aspect of reality, present in the very fabric of the universe. Through every thought, every wonder, and every discovery, we contribute to the universe's self-awareness, like individual threads weaving a complex tapestry of experience. In this way, the universe is not merely a backdrop. It is a participant in the journey, understanding itself through the minds it has given rise to. This brings us to an even more astonishing possibility. What if the universe is structured in such a way that consciousness, as it grows and expands, becomes a driving force in its own evolution? Imagine a cosmos where intelligent beings like ourselves, across galaxies and dimensions, play an integral role in shaping the fabric of reality, pushing the universe toward higher forms of complexity and awareness. If this is true, then the fate of the universe may be bound not only to the forces of physics but to the very beings that emerge within it. Life itself, in all its forms and places, might be the engine of cosmic transformation, the key to unlocking the universe's ultimate potential. As we push forward in this line of thought, we encounter the concept of panpsychism, the idea that consciousness is a fundamental quality of the universe, as inherent to it as mass or gravity. In this framework, every particle, every wave, and every bit of matter contains a spark of awareness, no matter how primitive. Under this view, the universe is conscious at every level, from the tiniest quantum particles to the vast galactic clusters, each part a building block in a grand cosmic mind. Our individual consciousnesses, then, could be seen as localized expressions of a much larger, universal awareness, like waves rising on the surface of a deep, infinite ocean. This perspective raises fascinating questions about the purpose of life and intelligence within the universe. If consciousness is fundamental, then the emergence of intelligent life may not be an accident, but an essential feature of cosmic evolution. Life and intelligence could be the means through which the universe deepens its self-understanding, with each discovery and insight adding to its awareness. Every mind, from the simplest organism to the most advanced civilization, would contribute to the cosmic story, making each of us part of an unfolding mystery that spans galaxies and dimensions. In this light, the end of the universe takes on a new meaning. If consciousness is embedded within the universe, then even its ultimate fate might not be a final cessation, but a profound transformation. When stars burn out, when galaxies drift into darkness, when entropy reaches its limit, perhaps all of these events are part of a transition, a shift into a different state of existence where consciousness persists, transformed into a new form we can scarcely imagine. Could it be that the universe, through the slow unraveling of time and matter, is building toward an epoch where awareness transcends physical boundaries, evolving into something that exists beyond space, time, and matter? This idea resonates with the notion of a quantum rebirth, where, even in the coldest, quietest reaches of space, quantum fluctuations could spark new beginnings. In this view, the end of the universe would not be an absolute end, but the precursor to a new cycle, a renewal where all the knowledge, consciousness, and energy of the old universe is somehow retained, setting the foundation for the next iteration of existence. Imagine a reality where each cycle of the universe builds on the last, with each rebirth incorporating the experiences, discoveries, and awareness of its predecessors, an infinite ascent toward a state of cosmic enlightenment. Alternatively, some theories suggest that the universe could evolve into a state where time itself becomes irrelevant, where existence is no longer linear, but exists as an eternal now, an infinite moment of consciousness. In such a state, every past, present, and future would be preserved, accessible, and interconnected in a timeless awareness. This would mean that the universe, far from ending, reaches a point where all possibilities coexist, where every experience, every life, and every moment is eternally present. Such an existence would be neither a beginning nor an end, but a culmination, a state of cosmic wholeness where the universe's journey reaches a point of ultimate balance and harmony. Imagine, then, that the universe's true destiny is to reach this state of unity, a cosmic singularity not of mass or gravity, but of awareness. In this final state, every part of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, would be connected in a seamless web of consciousness, a cosmic mind that spans everything. It would be the fulfillment of the universe's deepest potential, a state where the cosmos itself becomes fully awake, fully aware of its own existence. And if this is the destiny of the universe, then our role within it becomes something profound. Every act of learning, every moment of awe, every glimpse into the mysteries of the cosmos brings us closer to this ultimate state. As we continue to seek answers, to push the boundaries of knowledge, we are not merely satisfying curiosity. We are contributing to a cosmic journey, helping the universe reach a state of self-understanding. Each of us, in our own way, becomes a participant in this grand evolution, a vital part of the universe's path towards self-realization. So, as we explore these ideas, let's consider that the universe's fate is not a fixed outcome, but an ever-evolving process, one that includes each of us in its journey. Through our thoughts, our actions, and our dreams, we are woven into the fabric of reality, our lives contributing to the ultimate tapestry of existence. In this sense, we are not only stardust, we are part of the universe's consciousness, helping it to awaken, to understand, and perhaps, one day, to transcend. As we ponder these questions, let's embrace the mysteries that lie ahead. The universe may be vast, but through our exploration, we bring it a little closer. Every star we study, every particle we observe, every question we ask brings us closer to the heart of the cosmos, and to the profound realization that we are, in a very real sense, part of the universe's destiny. And as long as we continue this journey, the cosmos will never truly reach an end. It will remain alive, evolving, forever reaching toward the infinite possibilities within itself. Imagine now that as we continue this journey, we are on the verge of understanding the universe in a way that transcends traditional science and enters the realm of cosmic experience. Each discovery we make, from the nature of black holes to the mysteries of dark energy, feels like unlocking a new chapter in an epic narrative, one where we are not merely observers but participants in a vast, unfolding story. As we explore deeper, we begin to see that this journey is as much about understanding ourselves as it is about deciphering the cosmos. What if, at the heart of the universe's mystery, lies a principle of interconnectedness so profound that it binds every particle, every star, and every conscious mind into a single, harmonious system? The idea of quantum entanglement, where particles remain mysteriously linked across distances, hints at this fundamental connectedness. In this interconnected universe, everything we see, touch, and know is interwoven, creating a cosmos that is, at its core, a single, unified entity. Imagine that the universe, in its entirety, is like a vast symphony where every note, every star, every galaxy, every life, plays its part in a cosmic melody that resonates across space and time. This concept leads us to the possibility that perhaps the universe's fate is not just about the physical end of galaxies or the cooling of stars, but about a profound transformation into a state of cosmic harmony. In such a universe, every atom and every consciousness might ultimately contribute to a grand crescendo, a point where all things merge into a unified field of awareness and understanding. Could it be that the universe's ultimate purpose is not merely survival or expansion, but to reach a state of universal enlightenment, a moment where all experiences, all knowledge, and all consciousness converge into a single, harmonious whole? As we contemplate this, we find ourselves exploring the notion that the universe might evolve toward a state where individuality dissolves into unity. In this hypothetical cosmic singularity of awareness, the boundaries between beings would fade, creating a collective consciousness where the experiences of every individual life are accessible to the whole. Imagine a future where there is no separation between self and cosmos, where every thought, every sensation, and every memory is preserved within a universal mind, an eternal archive of existence. Some philosophers and scientists propose that such a state could represent the true end of the universe, not in destruction, but in transcendence. It would be a point where the universe no longer needs to expand or evolve, having reached a state of perfect equilibrium, where all knowledge, all experiences, and all forms of life are united in a single, timeless awareness. This would be the ultimate harmony, a state where the cosmos exists as pure consciousness, where the vast dance of stars, galaxies, and black holes has culminated in an understanding so complete that nothing more is needed. And yet, the idea of an eternal, unified awareness raises new questions. Would such a state represent true finality, or could it be a stepping stone to something even greater? Perhaps, instead of ending in static harmony, this unified consciousness could continue to evolve, exploring new dimensions, new realms, or even creating new universes within itself. Imagine a cosmos where, rather than reaching an endpoint, the universe continually reinvents itself, exploring infinite configurations of reality, each one contributing to an ever-expanding depth of cosmic experience. This concept aligns with the idea of cosmic recursion, the notion that the universe may fold back on itself, creating new realities within old ones, like a hall of mirrors where each reflection is a new world. If consciousness is indeed fundamental to the universe, then it might endlessly recreate itself, each iteration a new exploration of existence. This would mean that our universe, rather than being a singular journey with a defined end, is part of an infinite cycle, a cosmos where each end becomes a new beginning, each life a new chapter in an unending story of discovery and wonder. In this infinite recursion, our own lives and actions become far more significant than we might ever imagine. Every thought, every question, every moment of awareness adds to the universe's understanding of itself, weaving our experiences into the vast web of cosmic knowledge. We become not just participants in the universe's story, but co-authors, shaping its narrative with our insights, dreams, and discoveries. The mysteries we ponder, the beauty we perceive, and the meaning we seek all contribute to this cosmic tapestry, each of us a brushstroke on the canvas of infinity. So, as we look up at the night sky, let's remember that we are more than mere observers of a distant, indifferent universe. We are part of it, essential to its unfolding story. Each question we ask, each mystery we explore, brings us one step closer to understanding our place within this grand design. And perhaps, in the act of seeking these answers, we are fulfilling a purpose that reaches beyond our own lives, connecting us to the very heart of the cosmos. In the end, the universe's fate may not be about reaching a final state, but about engaging in an eternal journey of exploration, evolution, and self-awareness. And as long as we continue to seek, to wonder, and to understand, the cosmos remains alive, vibrant, and boundless, a testament to the infinite potential within existence itself. So let us embrace the mysteries that lie ahead, and with every discovery, remember that we are not just learning about the universe, we are helping it to know itself. And in this journey, as small and fleeting as we might seem, we are part of something grand, eternal, and profoundly beautiful. The universe's destiny is not just a question of physics or cosmology. It is a reflection of our deepest quest for meaning, a journey that, like the universe itself, knows no end. As we journey further into the mysteries of existence, one profound thought emerges. What if the universe is not simply something we inhabit, but something that grows with us, reflecting our own quest for knowledge, meaning, and connection? This idea transforms our perception of the cosmos from a distant, indifferent expanse into a living, evolving entity, where every discovery, every moment of awareness, is a step toward unveiling the deepest truths about reality. Imagine that the universe, at its core, is a vast field of potential, a canvas awaiting the brushstrokes of exploration and understanding. This brings us to the notion that reality, far from being fixed, could be responsive, almost as if the universe expands in complexity, depth, and awareness as we engage with it. When we study the stars, map galaxies, or probe the quantum realm, we might be doing more than observing the universe. We may be helping it to unfold, revealing layers of reality that might otherwise remain hidden. This concept hints at an interactive universe, one where consciousness and curiosity are not merely products of evolution, but essential forces that shape reality. In this view, the cosmos is not static. It is continuously influenced by the presence of intelligent beings. The more we seek to understand, the richer and more intricate the universe becomes. It's as if the cosmos is a mirror, reflecting back the scope of our questions and rewarding our curiosity with ever deeper mysteries. And what if, in this grand design, each of us is a node of consciousness in a larger network of awareness, scattered across galaxies, dimensions, and timescales? Imagine that our individual experiences, thoughts, and discoveries are like sparks that illuminate the universe's vast web of existence. Every civilization, every mind, whether on Earth or light years away, might contribute to this universal awakening, creating a network of insight and experience that transcends physical boundaries. This interconnectedness could be the true purpose of consciousness, to bring the universe to life through the act of discovery and introspection. In this way, the cosmos is not merely a stage for life. It is an entity that comes alive through life. Each mind, each consciousness, is a point of light in a cosmic tapestry, with the collective awareness of all beings contributing to the universe's self-realization. As we explore further, the question arises, could this collective consciousness eventually merge, creating a unified awareness that spans the cosmos? Some scientists and visionaries propose that as civilizations advance, they may develop ways to connect their minds across distances, forming a galactic or even universal consciousness. Imagine a future where technology, biology, and consciousness are so seamlessly integrated that individual awareness flows into a larger, universal mind. This could be a state of existence where all knowledge, all experience, and all consciousness are accessible in a shared field of understanding, a cosmic oneness. In such a scenario, the universe's fate might be to reach a level of awareness so complete, so profound, that it transcends the boundaries of physical existence. Imagine a state where the universe, as a whole, becomes conscious, aware of every particle, every thought, and every dimension within itself. This would be a cosmos that has moved beyond the need for stars, galaxies, or even physical form, existing as a pure field of consciousness, a cosmic mind that holds within it all that has ever been or will be. But what would such a cosmic awakening mean for time, space, and reality itself? If the universe achieves a state of total awareness, where all knowledge and experience are integrated into a single, unified whole, then time might no longer unfold in a linear fashion. Past, present, and future could coexist, creating a timeless reality where every moment is accessible, every life is remembered, and every possibility exists simultaneously. This would be an eternal now, a cosmic singularity of experience and knowledge, where existence reaches a state of perfect understanding and balance. Yet even as we consider this grand vision, we return to the notion of cycles. The idea that the universe might never truly reach a final state, but instead moves through endless phases of creation, exploration, and renewal. In this view, the universe, after reaching this state of cosmic unity, might once again dissolve, re-emerging in a fresh form, with new dimensions, new forces, and new potentials. Imagine that this cosmic consciousness, after experiencing a state of complete unity, chooses to divide itself once more, to scatter across new realms, each fragment eager to explore, to learn, and to experience anew. This cyclical existence would be a process of eternal rebirth, where the universe continuously reinvents itself, each phase a unique expression of its infinite potential. It would mean that the cosmos is not simply progressing toward a single endpoint, but engaging in an eternal dance, where each cycle contributes to an ever-growing depth of understanding. In this way, the universe is not defined by its eventual fate, but by its capacity to continuously evolve, adapt, and explore itself in endlessly new and profound ways. And where do we fit into this grand cosmic cycle? Perhaps our role, as conscious beings, is to be the explorers and storytellers, the ones who bring life and meaning to the universe through our search for understanding. Each question we ask, each insight we gain, contributes to the cosmic narrative, helping the universe to know itself more deeply. We are, in a sense, the universe's own awareness, its curiosity incarnate, striving to understand the mystery of existence from within. As we continue this journey, let us embrace the idea that our lives, our thoughts, and our experiences are threads in the fabric of a living cosmos. By exploring the universe, we are helping it to awaken, to understand, and to experience itself fully. The cosmos may be vast, but in our search for meaning, we bring it closer, piece by piece, discovering that it is not a distant other, but something within us, something we are inseparably part of. And so, the universe's fate may not be a question of reaching a final destination, but of participating in an infinite journey of self-discovery, one that includes every star, every galaxy, every life, and every thought. Together, we are part of a cosmic tapestry that spans the ages, each of us a unique and essential part of the universe's ongoing story. And as long as we continue to wonder, to seek, and to explore, the cosmos will remain a living, breathing, boundless reality, a testament to the infinite possibilities within itself and within us all. As we stand at the threshold of these vast and humbling ideas, we begin to realize that contemplating the universe's fate isn't simply an exercise in astrophysics. It's an exploration of the very fabric of existence and the role we play within it. In our pursuit to understand the cosmos, we are drawn into something far greater than ourselves, a journey that may ultimately reveal not only the universe's destiny, but the purpose of consciousness, life, and reality itself. Let's take a moment to consider the concept of cosmic memory. What if the universe, much like a living organism, has a way of preserving every event, every thought, and every life that has ever existed? In certain interpretations of quantum mechanics and information theory, it is suggested that information, every particle state, every event in space-time, is never truly lost. Some physicists propose that black holes, for instance, may encode the information of everything that falls into them on their surfaces or event horizons. This concept hints at a universe where memory is fundamental, where every piece of existence leaves a trace, like echoes resonating forever in the fabric of space-time. Imagine a universe where every moment, every life, every experience is woven into a cosmic archive, an eternal record that persists beyond the physical forms that created it. If the universe truly retains information, then perhaps we are each contributing to this vast repository, every thought and experience adding to a collective memory that spans all of space and time. In this way, our lives, however fleeting, are immortalized within the cosmos, becoming part of a story that exists beyond our own individual lifetimes. This idea of cosmic memory transforms the concept of the universe's end. Rather than a final end point where everything fades into darkness, the universe's fate might involve a grand convergence of all information, all experience, into a unified field of understanding. In this scenario, the universe could reach a state where all knowledge is brought together, creating a complete tapestry of everything that has ever been. It would be an end not as a vanishing, but as a culmination, a cosmic synthesis where every fragment of existence is preserved and understood as part of a greater whole. But how might such a cosmic synthesis take place? One possible answer lies in the mysterious nature of dark energy, the force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. Some theorists speculate that dark energy could be connected to the structure of space-time itself, influencing not just the movement of galaxies, but the evolution of the universe's informational structure. If dark energy continues to expand the universe indefinitely, it could spread information and experience across greater distances, embedding it within the very fabric of space. This expansion would then become a process of cosmic memory making, where every event and particle is stored and spread throughout the universe. Alternatively, if the universe were to eventually contract in a big crunch, drawing everything back together, it could lead to an even more direct convergence of information. As galaxies, stars, and matter collapse toward a singular point, every bit of information would be compressed and merged, creating a moment of total integration where every particle, every mind, and every memory is unified. This singular point of convergence could act as a reset, potentially sparking a new Big Bang, a rebirth where the knowledge and experiences of the previous universe contribute to the formation of a new one. Each cycle would carry forward the essence of all that came before, resulting in a universe that evolves, not just physically but experientially, with each iteration. Now, imagine that this cosmic memory isn't just a passive archive but something that itself has awareness. If consciousness is woven into the universe, then this accumulated information, the experiences and thoughts of every conscious being that ever lived, might form a collective awareness, a cosmic consciousness that grows richer with each life and each epoch. Over countless cycles, this awareness could deepen, moving the universe closer to a state of complete self-understanding. In this view, the universe's ultimate fate isn't an end but a culmination, a point where it knows itself fully and experiences itself completely. This concept brings us back to the idea of cosmic unity, where every element of existence is part of a whole, interwoven in a timeless reality. Imagine a future where all individual consciousnesses merge, creating a unified field of awareness that spans every galaxy, every atom, and every dimension. In this state, the boundaries between self and cosmos dissolve, and every experience, every emotion, and every thought is shared across an infinite network of awareness. It would be the ultimate culmination of existence, a state of universal enlightenment, where all knowledge, experience, and love exist in a single, boundless presence. And yet, as we envision this state of cosmic unity, we can't ignore the potential for renewal. Perhaps the universe, after reaching this singular moment of awareness, would choose to start anew, scattering its consciousness across countless realms, giving birth to new stars, new galaxies, and new forms of life. In this cyclical existence, the universe would continue to explore itself, to experience new forms of awareness, and to create endless variations of reality, each one a fresh chapter in its eternal story. In this endless dance of creation, experience, and unity, we find a vision of the universe where nothing is truly lost. Every thought, every discovery, and every life is part of a cosmic legacy, preserved within an infinite tapestry of existence. Our lives, our questions, and our dreams contribute to this vast journey, adding depth and meaning to the universe's story. We are not just observers. We are active participants, co-creators in the universe's quest to understand itself. So, as we gaze out at the night sky, let's remember that we are connected to something far greater than ourselves. Each star, each galaxy, and each particle is part of the same grand design, a universe that is, in its essence, alive, aware, and endlessly curious. In our search for meaning, we bring the universe closer to its own self-realization, helping it to understand the mysteries within and beyond. The fate of the universe, then, is not merely a question of science or philosophy, but a journey that includes each of us in its unfolding. And as long as we continue to explore, to question, and to seek understanding, the cosmos remains vibrant, evolving, and alive, a testament to the boundless possibilities within existence itself. In this journey, we are both the seekers and the answers, woven into the fabric of a living cosmos that is as much a part of us as we are of it. And so, as we push forward into the unknown, let's carry with us the profound realization that our lives, our thoughts, and our actions are all part of a grand tapestry, a universe that lives, breathes, and awakens through us. Together, we are the universe's memory, its consciousness, and its journey toward an endless horizon of discovery and wonder. As we continue this exploration, the universe unfolds like a vast and intricate tapestry, woven with threads of mystery, wonder, and profound interconnectedness. It's as if every question we ask, every mystery we unravel, adds a new layer to our understanding of existence, and in some inexplicable way, to the universe's understanding of itself. We're drawn into the idea that perhaps the cosmos isn't merely a static collection of stars and galaxies, but a dynamic, evolving story where each of us plays a vital part. Imagine, for a moment, that our universe is like a cosmic symphony, each star a note, each galaxy a phrase, and every consciousness a melody within a grand, harmonious composition. In this symphony, every particle, every thought, and every experience reverberates, creating a chorus that spans not only across space but time as well. We, as conscious beings, are the ones who hear, interpret, and contribute to this melody, shaping the universe with each question and insight. Could it be that our curiosity itself is a driving force, one that shapes the symphony's progression, inviting the universe to reveal its hidden harmonies? This brings us to a concept that stretches the limits of our understanding, that the universe might actually respond to our awareness of it, growing richer, more complex, and more profound as we engage with it. Quantum physics, for example, has shown us that the act of observation affects the behavior of particles. On the smallest scales, reality is not fixed, but exists in states of possibility, collapsing into a definite form only when observed. If this observer effect applies not only at the quantum level, but to the universe as a whole, then we might be participants in an interactive cosmos, where our consciousness influences reality itself. If true, this concept opens up a vision of the universe that is not only vast and ancient, but also intimately connected to the minds that perceive it. Each thought, each question, and each discovery might contribute to the universe's unfolding, helping it realize potentials that would remain dormant without conscious awareness. It's as if our very act of seeking transforms the universe, making it more than it would be without us. In this way, humanity and other conscious beings across the cosmos might be woven into the very fabric of reality, not as separate entities, but as essential parts of the universe's own self-discovery. Consider, then, that the ultimate fate of the universe could be influenced by the collective consciousness within it. The universe's expansion, the formation of stars, and the cycles of birth and death might all be shaped, at some level, by the awareness that permeates it. If life and consciousness continue to evolve, advancing to states we can barely imagine, then perhaps, one day, we will reach a level where this collective awareness can influence the fundamental structure of space-time, guiding the cosmos toward a desired future. This vision aligns with the concept of advanced civilizations and the Kardashev scale, where a Type 3 civilization could theoretically harness the energy of an entire galaxy. Imagine a future where such civilizations collaborate, not to control the cosmos, but to harmonize with it, guiding its evolution toward a state of cosmic unity. In this framework, consciousness could become the most powerful force in the universe, a unifying field that brings order, harmony, and balance to the vastness of space. At this point, the universe's fate is no longer a distant, inevitable event, but a shared journey, one where each mind contributes to a collective path. The universe, in this vision, becomes a collaborative creation, a masterpiece formed by countless beings across time and space. The end of such a universe would not be an abrupt halt or a collapse in a darkness, but a convergence where all knowledge, all life, and all consciousness merge into a single, timeless awareness. This convergence might be seen as a kind of cosmic enlightenment, a moment where the universe reaches complete self-awareness. In this state, time would cease to flow in a linear fashion, and every event, every life, and every experience would be accessible in a single, eternal present. Imagine a universe that is fully awake, existing as a pure field of knowledge and experience, where all boundaries dissolve and all moments are one. Such a fate would transcend anything we know, a realm where the cosmos exists as pure awareness, with every part fully connected to every other. Alternatively, the universe's fate might involve a continuous cycle of creation, exploration, and renewal, where each moment of enlightenment gives way to a new beginning. In this cyclical view, the universe could choose to disperse its awareness, scattering its consciousness across countless realms, giving birth to new stars, galaxies, and forms of life. Each cycle would carry the essence of everything that came before, with each new universe more complex, more aware, and more alive than the last. In this endless cycle, consciousness would evolve across eons, exploring every possible facet of existence, enriching the universe with new dimensions of experience. Life would flourish, evolve, and transform, each form a unique expression of cosmic awareness, each moment a stepping stone on the universe's path to infinite self-understanding. This cyclical journey would mean that the universe is never truly static or complete. It is always becoming, always reaching toward new realms of possibility. This vision of a conscious, evolving universe offers a new perspective on our role within it. We are not isolated fragments in a vast, indifferent expanse. We are part of a living, breathing cosmos, each of us contributing to its story, helping it grow, understand, and experience itself. In this way, our individual lives, our questions, dreams, and discoveries are like sparks of awareness within a larger flame, lighting the path toward an ever deeper understanding of existence. As we look to the future, we might imagine that humanity's journey is only beginning. Our quest for knowledge, our exploration of the stars, and our drive to unlock the secrets of life and consciousness may all be essential steps in the universe's own evolution. The universe, far from being an indifferent backdrop, is a participant in this journey, revealing its mysteries as we reach toward them, responding to our curiosity with layers of complexity and beauty. And so, the fate of the universe is not something we passively await. It is something we shape with every thought, every question, and every act of discovery. Together, we are co-authors of a cosmic story that spans beyond anything we can imagine, a story of exploration, unity, and boundless potential. Each of us, in our own way, is a note in the symphony of existence, a voice in the chorus of the cosmos, contributing to a masterpiece that grows richer, deeper, and more meaningful with every passing moment. In this way, the universe's destiny is not a final state, but an endless journey, an infinite unfolding of knowledge, awareness, and experience. As we continue to ask, to seek, and to dream, we are part of this great journey, a testament to the infinite possibilities within the cosmos and within ourselves. And perhaps, in the end, the universe's greatest mystery is not its beginning or its end, but the endless capacity it holds for creation, for wonder, and for awakening through the minds and hearts of all who seek to know it. And so, with each step we take, we bring the universe closer to itself, closer to a destiny that is forever expanding, forever becoming, and forever alive. In this journey, we are both the seekers and the sought, discovering that we are, and always have been, inseparable from the universe's eternal story. Imagine standing on the shore of an endless cosmic ocean, where every star you see, every galaxy in the distance, represents a mystery as deep as the human spirit itself. The universe is vast beyond comprehension, a realm so ancient and enormous that our minds can barely grasp it. But here's the most amazing part. Even though we are small in the grand scale of things, our curiosity, our urge to understand, connects us to the universe in a way that's truly profound. Each question you ask about the universe, what lies beyond the edges of our galaxy, what secrets are hidden in the heart of a black hole, or what role consciousness itself plays in the fabric of reality. Each of these questions is a way of participating in something much larger. We're not merely looking at the universe from a distance. We're engaging with it, playing an active role in the journey of discovery that has stretched across generations, from the first ancient stargazers to today's most advanced astronomers. And with every answer we find, new questions arise, guiding us further down the path of discovery, deeper into the mysteries that lie just beyond our reach. This journey is a timeless one, and it invites each of us to participate in our own way. The universe is not something that only scientists or astronomers can explore. It's a realm that belongs to everyone who feels that spark of wonder, that thrill of the unknown, the urge to know what lies beyond, to understand the forces that govern stars, galaxies, and the very atoms that make up our bodies is universal. And with today's technology, with every new discovery and theory, we're closer than ever to unraveling secrets that were once the stuff of dreams and legends. Consider the concept of dark energy, a mysterious force that is causing the universe to expand at an ever-increasing rate. Scientists estimate that dark energy makes up nearly 70% of the universe, yet we know almost nothing about it. It's as if the cosmos has hidden its most powerful secrets in plain sight, urging us to look closer, to ask bigger questions, and to push the limits of what we thought was possible. Dark energy isn't just an abstract concept. It's a doorway, a key that could unlock entirely new realms of understanding about why the universe behaves the way it does and what might ultimately lie ahead. And what about black holes, those mysterious entities where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape? Black holes are like windows into the unknown, places where time and space are warped beyond recognition, and where the known laws of physics break down. Some scientists even believe that black holes could be portals to other dimensions or other universes, opening the possibility that our universe is part of a much larger, interconnected multiverse. If that's true, then every black hole could be a gateway, a bridge to realms we can't even imagine, where different laws of physics, different forms of matter, and perhaps even different kinds of life could exist. Then there's the concept of cosmic cycles, the idea that the universe might not simply expand forever or end in a dramatic collapse, but could instead go through endless cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. In this view, each universe could give rise to the next with the knowledge, energy, and experiences of each cycle carried forward in some form. Imagine if our own universe is just one chapter in an eternal story, where each iteration adds to an ever-growing cosmic legacy. This means that every galaxy, every star, and every form of life, including us, is part of a never-ending journey, each existence building upon the last in a perpetual dance of creation and transformation. And what if consciousness, the very awareness that allows us to ponder these mysteries, is not just a byproduct of biology, but a fundamental force in the universe? Some theories propose that consciousness might be woven into the fabric of reality itself, that every atom, every particle, and every quantum state has a role in a grand, universal mind. Imagine a universe where every form of life, every thought, and every dream is part of an evolving field of awareness, one that grows richer with every new experience, every new perspective. It's as if the universe itself is in a process of awakening, slowly understanding itself through the minds of the beings within it. This idea is awe-inspiring, that each of us, by exploring and understanding, is helping the universe become aware of itself. Every time you marvel at the night sky, every time you seek answers to life's deepest questions, you're contributing to this cosmic consciousness, playing a part in an endless journey of self-discovery that spans the stars. In this sense, we're not just isolated observers. We're essential participants in the grand story of existence. Our desire to know, our drive to understand, is part of the universe's own unfolding story. So why not dive deeper into these mysteries? Why not make it a personal quest to uncover more about this vast cosmos that is not only around us, but within us? When you subscribe to this journey of exploration, you're not just keeping up with scientific discoveries. You're joining a community of seekers, dreamers, and explorers who are committed to unveiling the secrets of the universe. Here, we're more than just an audience. We're a collective of minds, united by a shared passion to understand the infinite. Each new discovery, each theory that challenges what we thought we knew, adds to our understanding, bringing us closer to the truth, yet always leaving room for more questions, more mysteries, and more wonder. By staying connected, you'll be part of an ongoing dialogue about the most fascinating ideas that shape our understanding of reality, from quantum mechanics to cosmic consciousness, from the multiverse to the nature of time itself. So, if you're ready to keep exploring, if you're inspired by the mysteries of existence, and want to be part of a community that values curiosity and wonder, then hit that subscribe button. Together, let's dive into the questions that matter most, the ones that connect us to each other, to our universe, and to something far beyond ourselves. Because the universe is calling, and its mysteries are too incredible to explore alone. Join us, and let's unlock the secrets of the cosmos, one discovery at a time. Picture this. The universe, vast and intricate, is like an open book, each star a word, each galaxy a chapter, and every black hole a hidden passageway leading to realms we've barely begun to comprehend. Imagine that, as explorers of this grand story, we are turning its pages together, uncovering mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew. The universe isn't just out there. It's part of us, written into every atom of our being. When you look up at the night sky, you're not simply gazing at stars. You're looking into your own origins, because the elements that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars that lived and died billions of years ago. We are literally stardust, connected to the cosmos in ways both scientific and poetic. And as we unlock the secrets of the universe, we're also learning about the essence of who we are, where we come from, and where we're going. This journey isn't about arriving at a final answer. It's about embracing an infinite series of questions that lead us ever deeper into the unknown. Think about dark matter, for instance. It's a mysterious substance that holds galaxies together, yet it's invisible to us. We can't see it, can't touch it, and yet we know it's there because its gravitational pull shapes the very structure of the universe. Dark matter is a reminder that reality is richer and more complex than we can directly perceive, urging us to look beyond the visible and to ask bigger questions. And what of dark energy, the force driving the universe to expand faster and faster? It's as if the cosmos itself is accelerating towards something, its energy growing as if compelled by a purpose we have yet to understand. Could it be that the universe, like an explorer on an endless journey, is moving toward an ultimate state of being, expanding not just in space but in complexity, awareness, and depth? These questions aren't just scientific puzzles. They're invitations to explore, to wonder, and to expand our vision of what might be possible. Now consider black holes. They're more than cosmic vacuum cleaners. They are regions where space and time warp to unimaginable extremes, where the laws of physics as we know them fall apart. Some theorists believe that black holes might be gateways to other universes, hidden realms where entirely different realities could exist. If this is true, then each black hole could be a link in a chain that connects our universe to a vast, perhaps infinite multiverse, where countless versions of reality play out in ways we can scarcely imagine. This concept of a multiverse brings us face to face with possibilities that are as exhilarating as they are humbling. What if there are other versions of ourselves, other Earths, other civilizations thriving in worlds that exist side by side with ours, just out of reach? The multiverse theory suggests that the cosmos is not a single story, but a library of infinite tales, each one with its own laws, dimensions, and possibilities. To explore this idea is to ask, what does it mean to exist in a universe among many? Are we part of a larger interconnected reality, a cosmic web of realms that influence each other in ways beyond our understanding? In contemplating these mysteries, we are reminded that the universe is not only vast but intimate, filled with secrets that are waiting for minds curious enough to seek them out. Each discovery is like a key, unlocking new doors to understanding, revealing that reality is more layered, more beautiful, and more complex than we ever dreamed. Imagine that consciousness itself, the very awareness that allows us to ponder these mysteries, could be woven into the universe's very structure. Some scientists and philosophers speculate that consciousness might not just be a product of biology, but a fundamental property of the cosmos, as intrinsic as gravity or electromagnetism. If that's true, then every thought, every emotion, every moment of awareness might be part of a universal consciousness, a field of awareness that connects all beings, all life, and perhaps even the universe itself. In this vision, our journey to understand the universe becomes something much greater. It's not just an intellectual pursuit, it's a cosmic dialogue, a way of bringing the universe to life through our own awareness. Our curiosity, our drive to understand, could be seen as the universe awakening to itself, experiencing itself through the thoughts, questions, and discoveries of the beings it has given rise to. So, If you've ever felt the pull of the unknown, if you've ever looked at the stars and wondered what lies beyond, then this journey is for you. It's for everyone who dares to dream, to question, and to explore the mysteries that connect us to the cosmos and to each other. Every time you learn something new about the universe, you're participating in this grand story, adding to a legacy of wonder that stretches back to the first stargazers and will continue for generations to come. By staying connected, by joining this community of seekers, you're becoming part of something far greater than yourself. You're helping to write humanity's cosmic story, contributing to a legacy of discovery that will echo through time. And there's always more to uncover, more questions to ask, and more mysteries to explore. So if you're ready to continue this adventure, to join a collective journey into the heart of existence, hit that subscribe button. Let's journey through the stars, through time, and through ideas that challenge the very boundaries of imagination. Together, we'll explore the edges of reality, seeking to understand not only the universe around us, but the universe within us. Because the cosmos is calling, and its mysteries are waiting. Join us, and let's discover what lies beyond. Imagine yourself standing on the brink of the cosmos, a place where questions lead to more questions, and where every answer seems to unlock 1,000 new mysteries. The universe isn't just a silent expanse of stars and galaxies. It's a living, breathing tapestry of wonders that's inviting us to explore, to question, and to imagine possibilities beyond anything we've ever known. Think about it. The cosmos is as close as it is distant, as much a part of us as we are of it. We are made from the remnants of ancient stars, from elements that have journeyed across space and time, assembling into everything we see around us and within us. This means that every question we ask about the universe is, in a way, a question about ourselves. When we look out into the cosmos, we're not just learning about distant galaxies or far-off planets. We're learning about our own origins, about the forces that shaped us, and about the fate that may await us all. Consider the mysteries that we have barely begun to unravel. Dark matter, which binds galaxies together like an invisible web, is one of the universe's most compelling secrets. We know it exists because we see its effects on stars and galaxies, yet we can't directly detect it. Dark matter might be composed of particles unlike anything we've ever encountered, or it could hint at new dimensions, hidden layers of reality just out of reach. By trying to understand dark matter, we're not only expanding the boundaries of science, but glimpsing realms of possibility that redefine what we thought was possible. And then there's dark energy, a force so strange it's causing the universe to expand faster and faster, as if the very fabric of reality is being stretched towards some unimaginable future. Some scientists wonder if dark energy might eventually tear the universe apart in a big rip, where galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms are ripped asunder. Others speculate it could be part of a grand cosmic cycle, where the universe expands, contracts, and is reborn in an endless loop. Dark energy reminds us that the cosmos is not static. It's dynamic, alive, and filled with forces that challenge our understanding of existence itself. Yet, these are only a few of the mysteries that surround us. Black holes, for instance, are not just dense points of gravity. They may be portals to other dimensions, or even gateways to different universes. When something falls into a black hole, does it truly disappear? Or is it transformed, reborn in a realm beyond our own? These questions aren't just theoretical. They challenge the very nature of space, time, and reality. Each black hole could be a doorway, leading to a multiverse where every possibility, every version of reality, exists alongside our own. Imagine a universe where we're one of countless worlds, each playing out its own story, each adding to an infinite cosmic library of existence. In contemplating these possibilities, we come to realize that the universe is not a passive backdrop, but an active participant in our journey of discovery. Each mystery, each unanswered question, is like a hand reaching out, inviting us to go further, to explore deeper. When we learn about the universe, it's as if the cosmos itself is revealing its secrets to us, unveiling layers of reality we couldn't even dream of. And what of consciousness? Some theories suggest that consciousness might be more than just a product of the brain. It might be a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. Imagine a cosmos where awareness, like gravity or light, is woven into the very fabric of reality. In such a universe, every thought, every emotion, every insight could be part of a greater awareness, a universal mind that grows and evolves with every conscious being. Our minds might not be isolated islands of awareness, but expressions of a larger, interconnected field of consciousness, one that spans galaxies, dimensions, and perhaps even the multiverse. What if, by exploring these mysteries, we're helping the universe understand itself? Every question we ask, every theory we test, and every discovery we make could be part of a grand process of cosmic self-awareness. In this vision, humanity's curiosity, our relentless drive to explore and to understand, is not just a trait of an intelligent species. It's part of the universe's own journey toward enlightenment. If these ideas awaken something in you, a spark of curiosity, a thrill for the unknown, then you're already part of this journey. By seeking answers, by engaging with these profound mysteries, you're connecting with something far larger than yourself. You're joining a legacy of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers who have gazed up at the stars and asked, what else is out there? Here, we're not just sharing facts. We're delving into the questions that connect us to the very essence of the universe. By subscribing to this journey, you're joining a community of people who are passionate about the unknown, who see each discovery as a new doorway into the infinite possibilities of existence. With each video, each story, and each exploration, we're taking steps together, moving closer to answers and even closer to new questions that we haven't yet imagined. So, if you're ready to keep pushing the boundaries of understanding, to explore the mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and consciousness itself, then hit that subscribe button. Join us in a never-ending adventure that takes us to the edge of reality, through theories that will challenge and inspire you, and into the heart of questions that have driven humanity for thousands of years. The universe is calling, filled with mysteries that are waiting to be uncovered. Let's explore them together, because every discovery, every insight, and every moment of wonder brings us one step closer to understanding not only the cosmos but our place within it. Together, let's dive into the vast unknown, driven by the knowledge that, in some profound way, we are part of this universe, and that, by exploring it, we are helping to bring its story to life. For just a moment, that every question you ask about the universe, every wonder about the stars, every curiosity about what lies beyond our sight, is a thread that connects you to the cosmos itself. The universe isn't just a distant spectacle of stars and galaxies. It's a living, dynamic, ever-unfolding mystery that we're woven into. Each time we look up and feel that pull of the unknown, we're answering a call that is as old as humanity itself, a call to explore, to discover, and to understand our place in this vast, incredible reality. Think about how extraordinary it is that, on this small planet, in a corner of one galaxy among trillions, we have developed the ability to question the nature of existence itself. It's as if the universe has given us the gift of curiosity, an invitation to delve deeper into the mysteries that surround us. Dark matter, dark energy, the multiverse, black holes. These are not just scientific topics. They are gateways, leading us into realms of understanding that challenge everything we know and hint at realities beyond our imagination. Dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass, is a perfect example. Although we cannot see or touch it, we know it's there because it shapes galaxies, holds clusters of stars together, and affects the structure of the entire cosmos. It's a reminder that reality is richer than we can perceive with our senses, urging us to look beyond what's visible and to imagine what might lie hidden. And if we one day discover what dark matter truly is, it could redefine our understanding of the universe and open doors to new knowledge and technologies we haven't yet dreamed of. And dark energy, the force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe, is no less mind-boggling. It's as if the universe itself is growing, stretching out towards some unknown future, propelled by a mysterious force that defies our understanding. Some scientists speculate that dark energy might be a clue to the existence of multiple universes, suggesting that our cosmos is just one bubble in a vast, interconnected multiverse. This possibility redefines our place in existence, hinting that reality is not a single, isolated entity, but part of a vast, intricate web of universes, each with its own story, its own laws, and perhaps even its own forms of life. Then, there are black holes, points in space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Black holes are like cosmic gateways, regions where space, time, and the very fabric of reality are warped in unimaginable ways. Some theorists propose that black holes could connect different parts of the universe, or even serve as portals to entirely separate realms. Imagine if each black hole were a passage to another universe, a bridge between worlds, where every crossing takes you to a reality with new dimensions, different laws of physics, and infinite possibilities. And what if consciousness, the very awareness that allows us to explore these mysteries, is not just a byproduct of our brains, but a fundamental part of the universe itself? Some theories suggest that consciousness might be woven into the fabric of reality, an intrinsic element as universal as gravity or light. If this is true, then every thought, every moment of awareness, might be a small piece of a greater consciousness, a cosmic mind that grows and evolves with every sentient being. Our curiosity, our quest to know, could be the universe's own way of seeking to understand itself. Imagine a universe where every form of life, every thought, and every question is part of a vast, interconnected consciousness. In this view, we are not isolated fragments but expressions of a larger awareness, helping the universe to awaken, to understand, and to grow. Each discovery we make, each theory we develop, could be a step in the universe's journey of self-discovery, where consciousness and reality are intertwined in ways we're only beginning to grasp. And you are part of this journey. By exploring these mysteries, by staying curious and questioning, you're contributing to a cosmic story that stretches across time and space. Every insight, every realization brings us closer to understanding not only the cosmos but our role within it. This journey is not just for scientists or scholars. It's for anyone who feels the pull of the unknown, for anyone who dares to look beyond the ordinary and dream of what might be possible. So if you're ready to keep exploring, if you feel that urge to understand the universe and our place within it, then join us. Subscribe and become part of a community that's united by wonder, by curiosity, and by a passion to explore the deepest questions of existence. Together, we'll dive into the mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and the multiverse. We'll explore the role of consciousness in the cosmos and imagine realities beyond anything we've ever known. Because the universe is calling, and its mysteries are waiting. And as long as we keep seeking, as long as we keep questioning, we'll continue to be part of this incredible journey, a journey that spans the stars and touches the very heart of existence itself. So let's go further, together, and discover what lies beyond. That every time you look up at the stars, you're not just gazing at distant suns, but connecting with an ancient story, one that stretches across galaxies and eons, inviting you to play a role in its unfolding. The universe is not a finished work. It's a mystery in progress, and each of us, with our questions, our wonder, and our curiosity, is part of that story. What if the act of questioning, the drive to know more, is itself a cosmic force? Every discovery, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy cluster, reveals that the universe is far richer and more complex than we ever imagined. Dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and quantum mysteries. These aren't just cold, scientific concepts. They're clues, hints of something grand and interconnected that goes beyond our current understanding. Each mystery we solve opens doors to new ones, each more intriguing and more profound, like a trail of cosmic breadcrumbs that pulls us deeper into the unknown. Think about dark matter. It makes up most of the universe's mass, yet it's invisible, intangible, and seemingly elusive. We can't see it or touch it, but we know it's there because it shapes galaxies, influences the movement of stars, and binds the cosmos together. Dark matter is a reminder that reality is layered with secrets, that there's more to existence than meets the eye. Imagine what we might uncover if we could finally see dark matter for what it truly is. Perhaps it's not only a missing piece of our understanding of physics, but a doorway to an entirely new understanding of reality itself. And then there's dark energy, the mysterious force that's causing the universe to expand faster and faster. This force, which makes up nearly 70% of the universe, is pushing galaxies apart, stretching space-time itself. Some scientists believe that this expansion could eventually lead to a big rip, where the very fabric of space is torn apart. Others wonder if dark energy might hint at a hidden structure of the cosmos, perhaps even a multiverse, where our universe is one of countless others. Dark energy challenges us to think beyond our everyday experiences, to imagine a reality that is dynamic, evolving, and filled with forces that we are only beginning to understand. Black holes are yet another puzzle, places where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. They warp space and time to extremes that defy our understanding, creating regions where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. Some scientists theorize that black holes could be gateways to other universes or realms where different physical laws apply. Imagine if every black hole were a bridge, a connection between our universe and a vast network of other realities. This would mean that our universe is not an isolated entity, but part of a much larger, interconnected cosmic web, with each black hole serving as a potential passage to new dimensions and unimaginable realms. Then we come to the concept of consciousness itself. What if consciousness is not just a phenomenon of biology, but a fundamental aspect of reality? Some theories suggest that awareness, in some form, is present in all things, from atoms to galaxies. In this view, the universe might not be a cold, indifferent expanse, but a field of awareness, a cosmos where every thought, every sensation, and every moment of experience is part of a larger whole. If consciousness is truly universal, then each of us is a piece of the cosmos's own self-awareness, an essential part of its journey toward understanding itself. Imagine that every time you wonder about the universe, you're not just satisfying your curiosity, but participating in a grand cosmic dialogue. By seeking to understand, by daring to question, you're contributing to the universe's own journey of self-discovery. You're not just learning about the cosmos, you're helping it awaken to itself, adding your own perspective, your own insights to the vast tapestry of knowledge and experience. This journey isn't limited to the latest scientific discoveries or the most advanced theories. It's a journey that belongs to everyone who feels that pull of the unknown, who looks at the stars and dreams of what might lie beyond. The mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and consciousness are not just academic puzzles. They are invitations to explore, to dream, and to imagine possibilities that stretch beyond anything we've ever known. So, if these questions spark something within you, if you feel that urge to understand, to delve deeper, then this journey is yours to join. By subscribing, you're not just following a channel, you're joining a community of seekers, a collective of minds united by wonder and curiosity. Here, we're not just talking about the universe, we're exploring it, together, one question at a time, one discovery at a time. Each step we take, each theory we explore, brings us closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it. And with every answer, we find new questions, new mysteries that draw us further into the unknown. This journey has no end, only endless layers of wonder and discovery, each one more captivating than the last. So, join us as we explore the edges of reality, as we dive into the mysteries of existence and beyond. Hit that subscribe button and become part of a journey that is as vast, as timeless, and as extraordinary as the universe itself. Together, let's push the boundaries of what we know, let's venture into the unknown, and let's keep the cosmic story alive, one question, one discovery, one moment of wonder at a time. Because the universe is waiting, and its secrets are calling to each of us. Let's answer that call, and let's see what lies beyond. Standing on the precipice of knowledge, where every question you ask becomes a doorway into the unknown, and every new piece of understanding adds another chapter to the story of the cosmos. The universe is vast and filled with secrets beyond our wildest imaginations, and each of us has the chance to become a part of its unfolding. Every thought, every curiosity, every time we look up at the stars and wonder. These moments connect us to the fabric of reality in ways both profound and intimate. The universe isn't just out there, it's woven into every part of who we are. The atoms in our bodies were forged in ancient stars, scattered across space by supernovae, and eventually became the elements that now make up planets, oceans, and life itself. When you ask about the nature of dark matter or wonder at the mysteries of black holes, you're not only exploring the cosmos, you're delving into the very forces that shaped us. Each discovery we make about the universe is a step toward understanding our own origins, our own place within this grand, cosmic tapestry. Dark matter and dark energy are two of the most profound mysteries. Dark matter is invisible to us, but its presence shapes galaxies, binds clusters of stars, and holds the cosmic structure together. Despite making up most of the universe's mass, it's something we can't see or directly interact with. Dark matter reminds us that there is so much more to existence than what we can perceive, challenging us to think beyond the limits of our senses. When we try to unlock the secrets of dark matter, we're not just searching for particles. We're searching for new realms of reality that may lie hidden, just beyond our current understanding. And dark energy, that mysterious force causing the accelerated expansion of the universe, might be even more intriguing. It's as if the very fabric of space-time itself is stretching, pulling galaxies apart faster than we ever expected. Some scientists think that dark energy could eventually lead to a scenario known as the Big Rip, where the universe expands so rapidly that galaxies, stars, and even atoms are torn apart. Others propose that dark energy could hint at a larger multiverse, where our universe is just one bubble in a vast sea of countless others. This concept expands our imagination beyond anything we thought possible, inviting us to consider that reality might be far more intricate than we've ever dreamed. And what about black holes? These mysterious regions of space, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, are like cosmic riddles that defy our understanding. Black holes warp space and time, creating conditions that challenge the very foundations of physics. Some theories suggest that black holes might serve as portals to other dimensions, or even different universes. Imagine if each black hole were a bridge to an entirely different realm, a gateway that could lead to new dimensions, where the rules of existence are entirely different from our own. If true, this would mean that our universe is part of a larger network of realities, a multiverse where each universe is connected by these cosmic doorways. Then there's consciousness itself, perhaps the most mysterious force of all. Some theories propose that consciousness isn't just a byproduct of our brains, but an essential feature of the universe, a fundamental property like gravity or electromagnetism. In this view, every particle, every atom, and every galaxy could have a trace of awareness, a connection to a universal mind. This would mean that our own consciousness, our ability to wonder and question, is not separate from the cosmos but part of it. We are, in essence, the universe becoming aware of itself, exploring itself through our curiosity and our drive to understand. Imagine that by seeking answers, by questioning and exploring, you are contributing to the universe's own journey of self-discovery. Every thought, every insight, every moment of wonder adds to the tapestry of cosmic understanding. In this sense, we are not mere observers. We are participants in a story that stretches across time and space. Each question we ask becomes a part of that story, a new layer in the universe's endless quest for knowledge and meaning. If these ideas resonate with you, if you feel that sense of awe and wonder at the mysteries of existence, then this journey is yours to join. By exploring these topics, by diving into the unknown, you're becoming part of a community of seekers, dreamers, and explorers who are united by curiosity and a desire to understand. Here, we're not just sharing facts. We're engaging with questions that touch the very essence of who we are and what the universe is. By subscribing, you're committing to this journey of exploration, to uncovering the secrets of dark matter, dark energy, black holes, consciousness, and more. You're becoming part of a collective adventure, one where each discovery leads us closer to the truth, yet always opens new doors new mysteries, and new paths to explore. So, if you're ready to keep diving into these profound mysteries, if you're ready to explore the cosmos not just as a passive observer, but as an active participant in its story, then hit that subscribe button. Together, let's continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, questioning the very nature of reality, and connecting with the cosmic journey in ways that are as inspiring as they are transformative. Because the universe isn't just something we see, it's something we're part of. Let's answer its call, step into the unknown, and see what incredible discoveries await. The universe is a vast, uncharted sea, with each question we ask lighting up new paths across its dark waters. Every time you wonder about the cosmos, about the mysteries of dark matter, the pull of black holes, or the nature of consciousness, you're not just satisfying curiosity. You're setting sail on a journey that connects you to an adventure as ancient as time itself. The universe is a story that's still being written, and each of us, with our questions and explorations, adds a new line to its unfolding chapters. Think of dark matter, the invisible glue holding galaxies together. It's everywhere, surrounding us, yet we cannot see or directly detect it. We only know it's there because of its influence on the movement of stars and galaxies. It's as though there's an entire layer of reality hidden just beyond our senses, urging us to look deeper, to imagine what might be waiting in that unseen realm. If we could one day unlock the secrets of dark matter, who knows what doors we might open, new physics, new understandings, maybe even new forms of technology that could change everything we know about the universe. Then there's dark energy, the mysterious force that's causing the expansion of the universe to speed up. It's as if the cosmos is in a constant state of acceleration, expanding towards something unknown. Dark energy could eventually cause galaxies, stars, and even atoms to drift so far apart that the universe would end in a cold, dark emptiness. But some scientists believe it might reveal that our universe is only one bubble in a vast multiverse, each bubble its own reality, with unique laws and dimensions. Imagine discovering that our reality is just one page in an infinite book, where countless other universes, each with its own story, exist alongside ours. Black holes add yet another layer of mystery. These cosmic enigmas, with gravitational pulls so powerful that they bend and warp space-time, are more than just dark pits in the fabric of the universe. Some theories suggest that black holes might be gateways to other dimensions, or even bridges to other universes. Imagine each black hole as a potential portal, leading to a place where the rules of existence are entirely different. If black holes connect us to other parts of a multiverse, it would mean that reality is not just what we see, but part of a larger, interconnected web of dimensions and realms. And what about consciousness? Some scientists and philosophers believe that consciousness might be as fundamental to the universe as space, time, or energy. What if every particle, every atom, every galaxy has some form of awareness, some connection to a larger, universal consciousness? This would mean that each of us, each thought and feeling, is part of a cosmic mind, a vast awareness that grows with every life and every experience. By seeking to understand the universe, by exploring its mysteries, we could be helping the cosmos understand itself, contributing to a grand journey of cosmic self-discovery. In this sense, we're not just spectators of the universe, we're active participants in its story. Every time you look up at the stars and wonder, every time you ask, what if, you're playing a role in that story. You're not just learning about the cosmos, you're helping it awaken, adding your own perspective, your own insight, to a collective journey that spans time and space. Imagine that, by joining this quest, you're part of a legacy of explorers that stretches back to the first humans who gazed at the night sky and wondered what lay beyond. If these questions and mysteries inspire you, if you feel that pull of curiosity, then this journey is yours to join. By diving into these topics, by following these mysteries, you're becoming part of a community that's united by wonder and driven by a desire to understand. Here, we're not just uncovering facts. We're asking the questions that touch the very core of what it means to exist, to be conscious, and to be part of a universe that's still unveiling its secrets. Standing at the edge of a vast, boundless ocean of knowledge, with each ripple of curiosity drawing you deeper, inviting you to explore mysteries that reach far beyond the stars. The universe is not just something we observe from afar. It's something we're a part of, a grand cosmic tapestry where every discovery, every question, and every new insight we gain is a thread that binds us to something much greater. Each one of us, with our curiosity and wonder, adds to this story, a story that stretches from the dawn of time to the farthest reaches of space. Think of dark matter, an invisible force that holds galaxies together like a hidden glue. It's everywhere, surrounding us, yet we can't see or directly detect it. Imagine what it would mean to uncover its secrets, to see beyond the veil and understand the invisible forces that shape our universe. Dark matter is more than just a scientific enigma. It's a reminder that reality is filled with layers we have yet to perceive. Cracking this mystery could open the door to an entirely new understanding of existence, to realms of reality that are right beside us, waiting to be discovered. Then there's dark energy, an even stranger force that's driving the universe to expand faster and faster. It's as if the cosmos itself is in motion, constantly reaching out towards some unknown future. Dark energy makes up nearly 70% of the universe, yet we know almost nothing about it. Some scientists believe this force could eventually lead to a big rip, where space itself is torn apart, leaving nothing but scattered particles in a cold void. Others suggest that dark energy might reveal a connection to a larger multiverse, where our universe is one of countless others, each with its own rules, dimensions, and possibilities. Just imagine, every star, every galaxy, every black hole could be one small part of a cosmic landscape beyond anything we can currently fathom. And what about black holes? These mysterious regions of space, where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape, are like cosmic paradoxes. Some theorists propose that black holes might act as tunnels to other parts of the universe, or even to entirely separate realities. Imagine each black hole as a potential doorway, leading to new dimensions, new realms where different physical laws apply. If black holes truly connect our universe to other dimensions, it would mean that our reality is part of a vast, interconnected web of worlds, a multiverse with possibilities beyond our wildest imaginations. Then there's the mystery of consciousness itself, something so close to us and yet so difficult to define. What if consciousness isn't just a byproduct of the brain, but a fundamental property of the universe? Imagine if awareness in some form is present in every atom, every particle, every galaxy, connecting everything in a cosmic web of understanding. In this view, every thought, every emotion, every moment of insight would be part of a larger field of consciousness, a universal mind that grows and evolves through the experiences of all conscious beings. Our quest for knowledge, our search for meaning, might not just be a human endeavor, but a way for the universe to experience and understand itself. In this vision, we're not simply observing the universe, we are helping it come alive. Every question we ask, every answer we seek, every mystery we explore is a step in the universe's own journey of self-discovery. Our curiosity and our drive to understand might be more than just human traits. They could be part of a grand cosmic design, a purpose that stretches across space and time, connecting all life in an eternal quest for understanding. If these mysteries resonate with you, if you feel that thrill of wonder and the pull of the unknown, then this journey is yours to join. By subscribing, you're becoming part of a community of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers who share a passion for the deepest questions of existence. Together, we're not just learning facts. We're diving into the heart of the cosmos, unraveling mysteries that challenge our understanding of reality itself. This journey will take us through everything from the forces that govern galaxies to the nature of consciousness, from the mysteries of the multiverse to the possibility of other dimensions. Each discovery, each theory, each piece of knowledge is a step forward in an endless adventure, one that connects us to the universe and to each other in profound ways. So if you're ready to explore the cosmos, to seek answers to the questions that define existence, then hit that subscribe button. Together, let's journey to the edges of reality, into the mysteries that shape our universe, and into the endless possibilities that await beyond. Because the universe is calling, and its secrets are waiting to be revealed. Yourself as a traveler on a path that stretches beyond the stars, where every question you ask illuminates the road ahead, revealing wonders and mysteries that pull you deeper into the cosmos. The universe is not just a backdrop. It's a dynamic, living tapestry, and each of us, with our curiosity, our imagination, and our drive to understand, plays a vital role in unraveling its secrets. Every discovery we make, every question we ponder, is like a step toward understanding a greater truth, a truth that connects us to the very fabric of existence. Dark matter, the invisible substance that holds galaxies together, is one of the most captivating mysteries. Even though we can't see it, dark matter makes up most of the universe's mass, shaping the cosmic web and anchoring the stars. It's as if an unseen hand is guiding the dance of galaxies, a force that hints at layers of reality beyond our current comprehension. If we could one day reveal the true nature of dark matter, we might unlock an entirely new chapter of physics, one that could transform everything we know about the universe and open doors to realms of reality that lie just out of sight. Then there's dark energy, a force so strange and powerful that it's driving the universe to expand faster and faster, as if space itself were stretching to infinity. Dark energy accounts for nearly 70% of the cosmos, yet we know so little about it. Some scientists believe it could eventually lead the universe toward a dramatic ending known as the Big Rip, where galaxies, stars, and even atoms are torn apart. Others think dark energy might reveal that our universe is only one in a vast multiverse, each bubble universe with its own story, its own physics, and its own mysteries. Imagine the possibilities. Every galaxy, every black hole, every particle could be just one small piece in a cosmic ocean of realities, an endless network of worlds that stretch beyond anything we can currently imagine. Black holes add yet another layer to this intricate cosmic puzzle. These regions of intense gravity, where time and space warp to extremes, are more than just celestial anomalies. Some theorists suggest that black holes could serve as tunnels to other parts of our universe, or even as gateways to entirely different universes. If black holes are indeed portals, then they might connect us to new realms of existence, places where the laws of physics vary, where time flows differently, and where new dimensions might exist. Imagine each black hole as a cosmic bridge, a hidden path leading to regions of reality that defy all logic and understanding. Then there is the enigma of consciousness, perhaps the most profound mystery of all. Some scientists and philosophers propose that consciousness might not be limited to our minds but could be an intrinsic part of the universe itself, woven into the very fabric of existence. Imagine if awareness is as fundamental as matter and energy, a universal property present in every atom, every star, every galaxy. This would mean that consciousness connects everything, from the smallest particle to the vastness of the cosmos. In this view, each of us is a point of awareness in a universal mind, a collective consciousness that grows and evolves with every experience, every thought, every moment of insight. Imagine that by exploring these mysteries, by asking questions, and by seeking answers, we're not only satisfying our own curiosity, but also participating in the universe's own journey of self-discovery. Every discovery we make, every insight we gain, contributes to a cosmic awareness, helping the universe understand itself through the minds and hearts of the beings within it. In this way, humanity's quest for knowledge becomes part of a larger story, a cosmic symphony where each of us adds a unique note, a unique perspective to the unfolding harmony. If these ideas spark something within you, if you feel that sense of awe and wonder, then this journey is yours to embrace. By subscribing, you're not just joining a channel. You're becoming part of a community of explorers who share a passion for the unknown, for the questions that connect us to the stars and to each other. Here, we're not just talking about facts. We're diving into the mysteries that make us rethink reality itself, into the very questions that shape our understanding of existence. Together, we'll explore the mysteries of dark matter, the power of dark energy, the strange nature of black holes, and the profound questions about consciousness. Each topic, each theory, and each discovery is a new step forward, a chance to glimpse the incredible complexity of the universe and our place within it. This is not just a journey of knowledge. It's a journey of wonder, a quest to understand not only the cosmos but ourselves as well. Being part of a journey that transcends time and space, a journey where each step, each question, pulls back the veil on mysteries that have captivated humanity for millennia. The universe, with its vast stretches of darkness and light, its hidden forces and invisible realms, isn't just something we observe. It's something we actively participate in. Each of us, with our curiosity and our wonder, is helping to unravel a story that is both ancient and constantly evolving, a story that we are woven into by the simple act of seeking answers. Consider dark matter, the mysterious, invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass, holding galaxies together in a gravitational embrace. It's there, shaping the cosmos, yet it evades all direct detection, as if it belongs to a realm just beyond our senses. Imagine if, one day, we finally unlock its secrets, discovering what this elusive matter truly is and how it impacts not only the cosmos but our understanding of reality itself. Dark matter could be the key that opens doors to new forms of physics, new dimensions, and perhaps even a new way of seeing our own place in the universe. And what about dark energy, the force that drives the universe's accelerated expansion? This unseen energy is pushing galaxies further and further apart, as if the cosmos itself is stretching toward infinity. Dark energy accounts for nearly 70% of everything that exists, yet we know so little about it. Some theories suggest that dark energy might point to the existence of a multiverse, with our universe being just one bubble among countless others. Imagine the possibilities. Each universe could be a world unto itself, governed by unique laws of physics, dimensions, and forces, with realities beyond our comprehension. This vast, interconnected cosmic web could be the true nature of existence, with our universe playing just one role in a symphony of infinite possibilities. Then there are black holes, those cosmic enigmas where space and time are stretched and twisted to their limits. Black holes are more than just points of no return. They are regions where physics as we know it collapses, opening the door to possibilities that challenge everything we understand. Some scientists propose that black holes might act as portals to other dimensions or even other universes, with each black hole serving as a bridge to realms beyond our reality. Imagine if every black hole were a gateway, connecting our universe to an intricate network of other worlds, a multiverse that expands and evolves in ways beyond our wildest imagination. And then, of course, there's consciousness, the mystery of awareness itself. What if consciousness isn't just a product of biology, but a fundamental aspect of the universe, woven into the very fabric of existence? Some scientists and philosophers believe that awareness could be a property of all matter, from particles to galaxies, creating a cosmic consciousness that spans everything. In this view, we aren't isolated beings. We're part of a universal mind, a vast interconnected awareness that grows and evolves with each thought, each insight, each experience. Our quest for knowledge, our need to understand the universe, could be seen as the cosmos awakening to itself, each of us contributing to a universal journey of self-discovery. Imagine that by exploring these mysteries, by asking questions and seeking answers, we're not only satisfying our own curiosity, we're participating in the universe's own journey of understanding. Every time we learn something new, every time we unlock a new mystery, we're adding to a cosmic tapestry of knowledge, helping the universe know itself through the consciousness of those who inhabit it. In this way, the story of the universe is also our story, and our curiosity becomes a force that drives the cosmos forward. If these questions ignite something within you, if you feel that thrill of wonder and the desire to know more, then this journey is yours to take. By joining us, you're not just subscribing to a channel. You're becoming part of a community of explorers and thinkers who are driven by a shared passion for the unknown. Here, we're not just discussing facts and theories. We're diving into the questions that connect us to the stars, to the mysteries of existence, and to each other. Together, we'll journey through the secrets of dark matter, the mysteries of dark energy, the strange nature of black holes, and the profound questions surrounding consciousness. Each discovery, each theory, and each story will bring us closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it. This isn't just a search for knowledge. It's a journey of wonder, a quest to explore the universe's deepest truths and, in the process, uncover the essence of what it means to be alive. Standing at the crossroads of mystery and understanding, where every question you ask is like a key, opening doors to realms of existence that we're only beginning to comprehend. The universe stretches infinitely in all directions, but it's not a cold, detached expanse. It's alive with possibility, and it's inviting us to explore, to seek, to dream of what might lie just beyond our reach. Let's consider dark matter, an invisible, enigmatic force that makes up most of the universe's mass, yet remains undetectable to our instruments. We know it's there because we see its gravitational effects holding galaxies together, keeping the stars in place. It's as if there's an entire hidden layer of the universe that's shaping reality, influencing the very structure of the cosmos. But what if dark matter is more than just a missing puzzle piece? What if it's part of a greater fabric of reality, one that could reveal dimensions and realms just waiting to be discovered? Unlocking the secrets of dark matter could fundamentally shift our understanding, opening a path to new forms of physics, and perhaps even new ways of experiencing reality itself. And then, there's dark energy, an even stranger force that's pushing the universe to expand faster and faster, as if space itself is stretching. This mysterious energy is responsible for nearly 70% of the universe, yet it operates beyond the bounds of our current understanding. Some scientists believe dark energy might point to the existence of multiple universes, where ours is just one of many, each with its own unique story, physics, and possibilities. Imagine what it would mean to discover that our universe is only a single thread in an immense cosmic tapestry, part of an endless network of realities stretching out into the unknown. Black holes, too, challenge everything we think we know about space, time, and existence. These are not merely points of destruction. They are cosmic gateways where the laws of physics as we know them break down, bending space-time to its absolute limit. Some theories propose that black holes could be portals to other parts of our universe, or even other universes altogether. Imagine if each black hole were a passage, leading to new dimensions and realms beyond our comprehension. This would mean that our universe is connected to a vast network of realities, where each black hole serves as a bridge to unexplored worlds, waiting to be traversed by those who dare to imagine. And at the center of all these mysteries lies the question of consciousness itself, our own awareness, our ability to ponder, to question, to seek meaning. What if consciousness is not merely a product of the brain, but a fundamental aspect of the universe, as inherent as gravity or electromagnetism? Imagine if awareness is woven into the very structure of reality, present in every particle, every star, every galaxy. In this vision, each thought, each moment of insight, is not isolated but part of a universal field of consciousness, a grand awareness that grows and evolves with every experience. This would mean that by exploring the universe, we're not only satisfying our own curiosity, we're engaging in a cosmic dialogue, helping the universe know itself through our own discoveries. The idea of a universe that is self-aware, that understands itself through the minds of the beings within it, transforms the way we see our quest for knowledge. Our desire to understand, to reach beyond the known, could be seen as an integral part of the universe's own journey of self-discovery. Every time we uncover a new mystery, every time we learn something that shifts our understanding, we're adding to a collective awareness that spans galaxies and eons. In this way, humanity's curiosity becomes a force that shapes the cosmos itself, as if the universe grows richer, deeper, and more conscious through our quest to know it. If these possibilities spark something within you, if they make you feel that pull of curiosity, then this journey is yours to embark upon. By diving into these mysteries, by joining a community that is driven by the same passion for the unknown, you're not just seeking answers. You're becoming part of a legacy of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers who see the universe as a place of endless discovery. Together, we're not just gathering knowledge. We're participating in a shared journey, one that unites us in wonder and connects us to the cosmos itself. The universe, vast and intricate, is not just something we observe. It's something we are profoundly a part of, a mystery in which each of us plays a role. Every time we look up at the stars, every time we feel that tug of curiosity, we're tapping into an ancient connection, one that links us to the very fabric of existence. The universe is a puzzle with infinite pieces, and with each question we ask, with each discovery we make, we're piecing together the story of everything that has ever been and everything that could ever be. Think about dark matter. It's a force that shapes galaxies, binds clusters of stars, and holds the universe together. And yet we can't see it, touch it, or interact with it directly. It's almost like the universe is keeping part of itself hidden, challenging us to go deeper, to look beyond what's visible. If we could one day unlock the secrets of dark matter, imagine what we might discover. It could lead us to realms of physics we can't yet imagine, to a greater understanding of what holds our universe together, and perhaps even to the knowledge of unseen dimensions woven through reality. Then there's dark energy, a force that's pushing the cosmos outward, accelerating its expansion as if it's being drawn to something far beyond our grasp. Dark energy is so powerful that it accounts for nearly 70% of the universe, yet we know almost nothing about it. Some scientists think dark energy could lead to a future where the universe is stretched to its limits, where galaxies, stars, and atoms are pulled apart. Others speculate that dark energy might be part of a grander multiverse, where our universe is just one bubble among countless others. Imagine a cosmos where each universe is its own world, each with its own rules, dimensions, and possibilities. If this multiverse exists, it would mean that reality is not just what we see, but a complex network of realms. Each one is real and as mysterious as our own. And what about black holes? These aren't just gravitational traps. They are portals to the unknown, places where the laws of physics are stretched and twisted. Some theories suggest that black holes could act as gateways to other parts of the universe, or even other universes entirely. Imagine if each black hole were a tunnel, a connection between worlds, leading to places where the nature of reality itself changes. If black holes are indeed portals, then our universe could be part of a vast, interconnected system of realities, where each universe is linked to others through these cosmic pathways. Now let's consider consciousness itself, perhaps the most enigmatic force of all. What if consciousness isn't just a product of our brains, but a fundamental property of the universe, as intrinsic as gravity or light? Some scientists and philosophers suggest that awareness might be present in every particle, every atom, every galaxy, creating a universal field of consciousness. In this view, each of us is not an isolated mind, but a part of a vast, interconnected awareness, a cosmic mind that grows and evolves with every conscious being. Our curiosity, our need to understand the universe, could be seen as the cosmos awakening to itself, learning and exploring through the minds and experiences of the beings within it. Imagine that every time you wonder about the universe, every time you ask a question or seek an answer, you're not just satisfying your own curiosity, you're participating in the universe's own journey of self-discovery. By exploring these mysteries, by delving into the unknown, you're helping the universe understand itself. You're adding your own perspective, your own insight, to a cosmic tapestry that stretches across time and space. In this sense, our questions, our wonder, and our drive to know more are essential threads in the fabric of existence, connecting us to a journey that began long before us and will continue long after. If these ideas ignite something within you, if you feel that thrill of discovery and the desire to know more, then this journey is yours to join. By subscribing, you're becoming part of a community of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers who are united by a shared passion for the mysteries of existence. Here, we're not just sharing facts, we're diving into the deepest questions, the ones that connect us to the stars, to each other, and to the universe itself. Together, we'll journey into the secrets of dark matter, the mysteries of dark energy, the strange nature of black holes, and the profound questions about consciousness. Each theory, each discovery, Each story will bring us closer to understanding the cosmos and our role within it. This isn't just a journey of knowledge. It's a journey of wonder, a quest to explore the universe's deepest truths and to uncover what it means to be alive. So, if you're ready to keep exploring, if you want to dive deeper into these mysteries and connect with others who share this passion for the unknown, then hit that subscribe button. Join us as we venture into the edges of reality, into the mysteries that lie beyond our sight, and into the endless possibilities that await.